Mommy,
Um,
no breakfast in the year.
your father get up and go from morning, you know. And you left no money for buy no food for you look out. And macaroni and cheese in the house. Can you look about it though? Just fry this stove and just put on the water. If you don't know if it's in there, just call me. And when I don't eat, we just walk go take a walk up on it.
Alright.
Alright, baby. You done eat?
Yeah, me
Will I
done eat.
box? Will I support I box done?
Yeah, me done eat.
Hey, people look for me and can't give me. Hey, say me to eat them from morning either.
But you never tell me to make no
Your
give me
father the
say me fi go
same
and go
thing.
eat
Yeah, your
it.
father are the same thing. Anyways, I don't eat here, I can't about it. Come, come up on the road.
Mommy, see daddy there.
No, just get up off of the bed and go to the house and go and leave free money for breakfast.
If you are asleep, what you want me to do?
Just free money. You never already. Yeah, sleep. Put the money for the dresser. So when we wake up, you know, say yes, this is for us. I'm feeling little girl. No,
Let me ask you a question now. I supposed to wake you?
you never have to wait me. Just put on your money.
I no money if you put our money, we go hunt.
You ever go on money? Even means to get up, you're gone out there, gone out there. Me not believe that. Problem a woman have out there where you go. Where you go to every single day. Cause every day you come out on money and I say, you're carrying this per week. No.
You put money in the man?
What?
You man? Huh?
Me not put money in your hand to get woman. Something just not right.
You're not only one day in your life yet?
This morning, tell me the truth.
Me hungry.
Yeah, because you just wait this morning, right? You not eat.
No,
You not eat nothing.
no.
So the mama, so the daughter. One macaroni and cheese in the left there.
Me never see that. We want money. We want money to go back there. You with the walk. You can look for me like this. We want money to go down. We want to go look for something
So
to
you
eat.
really walk on the road.
You can look for you for the money.
Come look for me for money when
Yes.
you left a macaroni and cheese down there.
What macaroni and cheese can do? I should eat that till it gone. What that can do?
That can fill the belly till later. And at lunchtime yet, breakfast and macaroni and cheese. Lunchtime we crush little banana with butter.
She don't
Right,
want that. She don't want that. She's not a poor people picnic. She don't want that.
So you think you're better than poor people picnic? You think you're no better than poor people picnic? You better you be poor than rich. Because when you're rich, you have to sleep with the two guys them open so. Tell her that.
Me never come up in an argument. You don't want the money for me go about something for the little girl to eat. Talk to your father for me.
One more time. Do you hungry or not?
Yes, me hungry. What me eat? You never left nothing for we eat.
The bubble gum make you hungry, you charge too much.
I let her load the little girl eat from morning bubble gum. I look how long she wake up.
How much you pay for the bubble gum you buy?
$20.
Should have use it buy one half pound of flour or so.
$20?
Huh?
$20?
Yeah. What wrong with it?
$10 can buy pound of flour. You feel like back in ideas?
Tell him again.
A half pound, me say.
Pound, you say. Pound.
Half pound.
Pound. 1 pound, you say. Come want the money, cause we want to go to bus now.
We don't have no money now.
So we are come. First, your money you go hunt.
Money we go hunt, but we not to get none of this, isn't it?
So we are go now.
So
you
why
go,
not?
you go down.
Yes. Why problem? Why you out there? They say me go out there and the place not straighten up. You have to talk to me. Because your duty is to get up and wash. No, you can't wash your plate. Your duty is to sweep out the house and make sure happy. Your duty.
So wait, who told us we don't do that?
I don't know.
Okay.
You don't know there. So.
Okay.
Anyway, come.
What? You go get something to eat when I go down?
Yeah, come.
Okay,
Get
good.
you
Come here,
something.
baby.
One point in the back of the thing, go down. Go look to the back of the cheese.
Daddy, a joke. Come in eating macaroni and cheese.
Yeah, we have to tell her like if come in your yard.
I take come to feed that.
We don't have to eat that, but you love the road too much. You have to come in your yard.
I
Come.
take you take me feed that.
No.
After me tell her somebody on the road a juggle and a hustle.
Me not see a juggle and a hustle nothing because me not see we no money. Say na juggle and hustle nothing. Get up on the road, the girl. I must start to the pan road. You can't go in my house.
You tell me to clown.
Oh.
You tell me that. Your one father. You follow your mother. Like mother, like that. I'm tired of telling you, you know. You see, you. And you broke her out, you know.
Nah, broke nobody.
Next thing me soon start seeing boy when I hear them. And he knows. I'm
No.
tattoo.
You can't do that. You crazy?
Because the example where you are show her.
Me big. She's a child. She not fit do that. Me do it because I'm big. Come go in there also. All about something for we eat. We're hungry. Macaroni and cheese we were from morning.
And who are you woman at the house?
Me?
Right. Who's supposed to look for something to eat?
Me.
So get your raw scene, go look for something.
So you can't leave him for morning?
Go on.
I'm going because I don't.
You tin mackerel and banana.
I don't want a tin mackerel and a banana. I don't want a tin mackerel and no banana.
You feel me banana with the butter, I don't eat mackerel.
I'm going to take it out of big stone and put it in there.
Hold on, man, I soon come look for you, man. Yeah. Yes, of course, I love you. I don't want to love you, man. Remember, I take care of me, you know. I spend for me, you know. Yes. I do love you more than my baby mother. Yes, baby, I'm serious, man. I never serious in my life. Yeah, man. Are we there, sir?
I'm drunk, I come beg you.
Hold on there. Yeah. How long you turn up here, sir?
I just welcome come, sir.
Well, I don't have no $100 for me, you know. You have to ask somebody for the yeah?
But I would have taken the money for it.
Nobody.
A ghost.
What do you mean by ghost?
Because I know, you did talk to somebody on the phone.
What I said to you a while ago? I was not talking to nobody. You understand?
Yes.
You understand the word that come out of my mouth?
Yes, Daddy.
So shut your mouth. You never hear nothing. You hear me say? You never hear a thing out of my mouth a while ago on the phone. I was chatting to nobody. What me say?
I never hear nobody.
What me say, oh?
I never hear you talk to nobody.
What me say, oh?
I never hear you talk to nobody.
Good. So go to your mother, borrow the $100 and do what you want to do with it. Right?
That's Daddy.
All right. Go on.
I'm not work at you. Too much things that take out of me.
Mommy,
Oi, how you doing?
I wonder somebody there.
Yeah, what I do?
Yeah.
Where I do?
No, Daddy, me did sit on the phone and they talk to one woman on the phone.
I talk to my phone.
Yeah.
Say what?
And they say, a woman I love and life for all
What?
of that. A woman I love and life for all of that.
Wait there. Come and say one at a time, let me hear father say I go on the road. And in a year I talk to woman, but woman I love her life.
In the wake up here, I'm going to I enjoy my day, beg him.
You sure your father always talk to woman?
Yes.
You sure?
Yes, Mommy.
I don't believe you. I don't believe you because there is no way your father going to always talk to a woman and in daughter then in prison. And you see that talk, you know no respect.
Me did that behind
Say no, see you.
No, he never see me until he turn around.
I don't believe you. But I go to do it. I go check him, I see him. I don't believe you. I soon come.
Alright.
Stay near me, soon come. It's smoke my place, so.
Huh?
We just smoke in the yard.
No, I have to burn out all the crosses, man. Now I'm telling you, man.
Then they just come to me and say, oh, just talk to woman. Where are they pan?
Nene.
Yes.
So you believe 1 10-year-old over me?
I don't believe her. I just come to ask you about
Which
it.
woman me could have talk to? You out here for me to talk to you?
No, but you tell on your phone and talk to a woman, but
Listen.
the woman you love her your life and you don't want me and she your lover and if or something so.
Me say that?
And that little girl tell me say you say.
Who could I replace you? Nobody can replace you. You're
I
my
believe her.
Listen
I
me.
believe her.
Remember, you know, I look up at the day, you know. Say, so $100 and come back me and so me nah have if you give. Instead of going there tell life. So you can't believe it.
I believe her, but make sure you're not like that, but me not believe her.
Why would I do that? You're my only woman.
Make sure.
The one and only, nobody else. Who will replace you? Me not see nobody in the world replace you. Maybe God can replace you. I only man on earth can replace you right now. God. Nobody else can replace you. Who go replace you?
I don't know, I never see me believe her. That's why I come to you to find out from you. But if I don't know, so make it stay.
You're my heartbeat.
Right.
You're my footstep when I walk. You see me? Every walk me walk and you me think about.
That's nice.
You're like a rain when I need water. You're like a sun when I need light. Right? You're like the moon when you shine bright.
Aww.
You're brighter than the stars.
You try to show me alone and tell them something there. Another woman for true.
The only thing you know is remind me of the cows them back in these days, you know?
So this disrespect me.
No, baby, just a silly tool.
When time I boy them, I say I like them. So what for so they are?
Then they look cute them time in I first half, but after a while them get wear out and dash out and it's just
I'm
like
not take them out, you know.
it's just like some girl them you know. But no worry, no fret. I love you and you alone.
Make sure.
Nobody else. Nobody else. You're the woman of the house.
Good.
When me say you're the what?
Woman of the house.
Right. And when me say nobody can do it.
Replace me.
You understand?
Yes.
Replace you soon, right? Nobody can replace you,
Alright,
baby.
then. Go on the way out.
Replace you soon, right?
No, sir. All of me are find this man here. No, man. No. Okay. No, sir. Hang on, relax out. All this time now that some man I can't reach. You know, if I want me out there for morning, I'll know. When they all know. No, sir. Okay, my leave my ring. The man leave on time phone. Oh, he text me.
So,
Hello, look for me away from you.
listen, first thing, me I rake my yard and I clean up my yard. Secondly, don't call me and me if you call
Where
you.
me, my? Where
Yeah.
me, my?
You know, some my daughter come catch me. Huh?
Catch your door. Catch your door.
Chat to you. What else you could have catch me at? I must chat to you. You know, learn to listen. And that would you know.
Me not learn to listen.
You don't know
When you that grade me, I'm telling you, I say.
You say when you call me, I should answer.
Then you call, I should answer. You should answer.
Yes.
Oh.
But there's a but.
But what?
I have a wife. I mean, yeah,
My wife,
I'm not like a baby mother. Right? I mean, yeah, you can't call me as you feel like. Make me call
So
you.
listen.
You're just a side girl and I'm tired to tell you already, you know. Side girl must know them place.
You never know said side girl or wife too. Wife material. You never know that.
No, mama, we don't consider Uno as no wife material. We now go mash up our future because of Uno.
What kind of future? If you did have a future, it would not cheat by your woman.
Yeah!
Yeah! Look up. Look up. Continue look up. Look up. Yeah, look up.
In life, why we cheat for a woman? It's because sometimes women too ignorant and tell us we are cheat. So we feel them a cheat.
I tell you why you are cheat. Because my pum good and fair one big. So you tired of fair one, so you want new fresh meat. No. I know you love my one, you know.
Mama, I gotta tell you the
Papa.
truth. I gotta tell you the truth. Your oil is not better than fear. The only thing you have over her is because you know how to deep truth. She don't do that.
Come on, to deep throat.
That's the only thing hold me
I
against
should
you.
have bite it off.
But with she now, she can cook. You can't cook.
Me can't cook. Uncle shall kill you. Uncle shall kill you one day.
No, me know. So if you want to fit in the wife role, adjust yourself properly, learn to cook.
When you learn to good in a bed, me can wash, cook and clean for you. When you learn to good in a bed.
So all them
Because basically, one style good pan when you make me lay down on my back and you push up my foot them on your shoulder. So yeah, that's all the thing you know about. You don't know about nothing. You don't know about backers. You can't control backers. You say I'm send for no backers. I say we're tired already. 1 minute you can't.
You're too maga for me put you on the back as mama. I pay a bone round at that backside. Me no want yes so.
But you done manga too. The manga too, so why difference?
My baby mother have flesh.
Cause she have flesh.
That's why me have her from backers and me set some backers and me a put it in the backers and I wind up backers and she a come and me grab her here so me a wine and a wine and a wine. Me no do no stabbing from backers, let me tell you that.
One style you have. One style you have.
When a ram girl from backers back way, you know, enjoyable. You have to make she calm. You have to make she a wet and a scream and a to ball for more. You know why she a ball for stop. I could have even this.
And this you have.
It make you
It
wet
even
more.
big so.
Anyway, me link you later.
So you not the money for you?
No.
You want to buy something.
I don't got no money. What me say? I don't got any money. So it's when time I come later, me give you money.
You never yet have money yet. I can't see number closer so get the
Don't worry about that. Just take care of yourself and next time make me call you. You don't call me. Okay?
One boy business.
Don't call me. You soon get some later, don't worry.
I don't want that, you know. Right.
Daddy, can't beg your money. Me and mommy are up on the road.
My daughter.
You go ask her for the money the day I if and but. You giving her the money or not?
No money, I know my daughter. Yeah, that's some money me away from. So, when I come on the road, I give her money. No.
You have the way for money. Come on.
In fact, your mother must can get some money.
We get money from. Come.
Boy! Wife a wife, mate a mate. Boy!
You shut up.
I don't know why she know me so.
Imagine you
look
can
mad.
go on the backers, but me can't put good her. Wife a wife, you go and get bone. Wife a wife, mate a mate.
Why she mad?
Boy, what kind of piece of son this setting up yourself, man? What up, man? What time get up? After me know what up, man. Can't for by yourself.
You love road, sir. You can't turn the yard.
No, sometimes I have to take a look food.
I'm tired to tell you, sir. Stop calling my phone. Allow me to call you. I'm noticing, you know, anytime you want something at that time you call me. Why?
Super fine. When you want something, you not call me. Eh?
Obviously.
Okay, obviously, so maybe call you more money. Yeah, fear is fear. What you have to say about that?
But alright. I understand when I say fear is fear, but remember say me have a wife. Wife. You understand the W-I-F-E what I mean? Wife. Right? I have to have attention to my wife too. I have to respect my wife too.
Story come to bump.
You can't call me. Make me call you. Suppose one day you call me and she answer. What you gonna say?
No must hello, who this?
Me backside. God.
I want to talk to my man. I'm not afraid to say it. I want to chat to my man. So I'm afraid of anybody? Eh? But my back broad, you know, sitter? Broad.
Your back my broad, but a thin.
And because me thin.
One little breeze blow you down a drop on your face, boop. So
Anytime breeze that blow me down, I'm drop on my face, boop. And when me hungry. No, me strong up. So anything or anything. Me strong up so like a Hulk.
We can ask you a question. Why you continue by pregnancy test?
Come on, bye.
Why?
Come on, bye.
By what?
I don't want to buy pregnancy test.
So we are trying to prove, say now.
What if you come in on me?
Listen to me.
What if me a braid?
I mean, I have one pitney over there already.
Oh.
I'm going to take up another one out the road.
That's why condom make for use.
Condom now no use right now.
Oh, say if me start breed, just no say. Want to house myself, or the girl have to come out. Whosoever you live it over here, the girl have to come out.
Yeah, you were asking a while ago.
So, me not say what me say, no, me say to the mouth.
Me if you put on my baby mother for you.
So, alright then.
For
Put
you.
the other way then. Put the other way then. You know want sugar, you know want kick her up because me. Then build a nice house for me then. Buy a nice upstairs and downstairs house for me with a pool in the back.
Backside. For me live in a board house. Alright, me boss. Let's talk to the Empress here. Me live in a...
thing, man.
Yeah, man. Me live in a one board house. And you go tell me to build a nice upstairs and downstairs with pool.
Yes.
Hello.
I want chef there too. Cause I'm not like cook.
Shut your mouth. Let me talk. You see any house near build give you something like you, I go and grab bush, go look some round wood, build up a touch house, give you and put one bad pan down in the dirt, call it a pool. You're bright and fierce.
What are they?
You feel living that upstairs before me? Girl, correct guy here.
Hello.
You hear what? Hey, I'm a talk, hey. Go there. Go buy
What
clothes.
What this can do?
Go buy
You want
clothes.
600. What this can do?
That can buy your clothes.
You know what I'm going to do with this, sir? I'm not telling me I'm going to do with it. One yard. I'm going to one yard.
You're going to check it later, cause...
I'm sure I work with some more money. Some more cash. I sell myself. Nothing for yourself. One. Sure. Delete yourself. Sure. Sure.
I'm here to delete myself. I will have your money.
One. Later check. Let's say you work with money, eh?
Who have the money? Say you're sorry.
Darling, I'm sorry on you.
Okay, good. Later now.
If you ever hear that, back over here so go turn up and wait for me and wait for you.
Baby, it's on hot. What are you son now?
I will not do yourself.
I never do say you come out of your yard. Why do yourself?
I take a walk, go check somebody. And see me a walk from the road so that thing.
Daddy,
Huh?
I'm thirsty. I can't buy me one juice.
Why my daughter? You rough. You don't really have no money now. Don't cut here now for
You can never have a figure pitney yet. I'm my dead for hungry. You never can find if you give us something to eat.
No, I don't want you to spread them things there against my daughter.
Me not spread nothing because anytime she asks for something, you never have it yet. And me know say have it. You have it and you get that woman out of you, but you not have to figure your child. I can't afford you, baby.
You believe so?
Daddy, that's kind of true, you know. Kind of true.
You
It
really,
is a she have sense.
you really make your mother tell us that me, spend time when you ask me. If we have him with a bite like that, I don't got it.
Daddy, I see one woman and you ready my laugh off for mommy, you know.
Me?
Laugh off for mommy. Yes, mommy, I chew the brain all, you know.
Nobody can have a family. I know some Michelle have a.
Because you not understand your brain too old.
What brain all? I face with me?
No.
I know Michelle have a. You know, give the girl something to buy something to drink. Sun hot.
Come, we go and go make some things. Come.
Juice, you put the one, never tell us you want to make no juice. You want to buy a Pepsi or a Power. That's put the one.
You want me buy my daughter one Pepsi soda?
Yes, what wrong with
Or
that?
energy drink Pepsi. Then they have the adult. You come.
She want energy. She want energy a long time. She not eat only could nice meal. If you want something in her system to build up her, hey.
No, look. Nana, me have syrup down there and tang and cool it. Come on.
You want syrup tang and Kool-Aid? Where you want to drink?
I want juice.
Tell her daddy say you want a juice to drink, you don't want a syrup.
So what syrup is?
Every day you get up and give me syrup.
You want quench it down there. You want mix quench it with white sugar. Nice. It come like a juice same way. Yeah, lime juice. Come on.
I'm tired of them this and then now.
So what you want? Top it, gent?
I want juice then everybody. You know, and have $100.
No, not have it. Your mother must have it.
Me get it from. I see me working. You see me working? I don't not
The
have
time you
it.
dey walk up and down all over the globe, you know, the sun hot, and that makes you tired and thirsty every minute. You go down to the yard, go make a big old jug of juice, you can't do that for the day. You come on. One. You, check your ass too. Come on. Right. I'm kicking off upon me, that's a question me to buy juice.
Auntie, Father,
What?
hi, Uncle Appen.
What happened? When my brother come back?
See?
When
Yeah,
he
he come back.
When?
Today. Yes, he come back today. Not too
Yeah.
long.
You look nice though.
Yeah, thanks.
I went there.
In the yard, he said go call Lincoln when he's done.
Oh.
She can't come on the road with me. Come me. Father care some things here. Me did want to go in the yard. Me and her go on the road and then we go down and me get some of them and me and her come back up here later. You can come?
I'm here to find
You feel answer that coming, I know.
and you are the mother, you push her road, so you must know if you want to send your people for the road. And just come off a road and say thirsty, we can come to make juice. You buy our juice?
Yeah, my father
Okay,
care
good.
things.
You can carry for the road.
Yeah.
Take care of her.
Yeah.
Alright.
Let's see how you know. Jog your ass, go cook. One, in, cook. Now.
Can't lie no.
And that girl, this, I pick from my mother.
Come here, my
Come
stepdaughter.
here.
Come here. You know who me I talk to? About me.
Look for me good. You think that me want to set mother?
Look a girl. Put respect for my name. Cause me soon to be a stepmother. Matter of fact, me soon make your daddy kick out your mother so me can move in so me can be a a foolless mother. You see this about what you have? I gonna pinch you off. You see your hair them bigger, I make it good on more. Remember me tell her that?
My father knows so much to put out my mother for you.
Make today be the last day you disrespect me here because remember this. Me I come over there, make sure I say your mother come out of the house. That me I make you know. You hear me say? And don't promise as me say, see this amount here and here, me I make it good on here. You see this nose here pointy like a jagger nose? Just watch me. Jagger nose. Listen me. And my cousin you talk to here, and if I say you go talk to her, you're not gonna be her stepmother. And me, I go sit to that. Here? Me, I go sit to that. And my cousin you talk to. Come on, Nene, cause me now have a box her in her face.
That's right.
That's right.
Mommy!
It's a come back.
I don't even do the video at home.
Where's it now? You enjoy your day?
But I know say look same girl with your true word pie yo. I contact with say she go become my stepmother.
Become your stepmother?
Yeah.
You serious? Nothing
Yeah.
no go so me baby. Nothing no go so. Nobody can take my place in your
Auntie,
father life.
true.
You see how
It's true. Yeah, true.
I told you walk on she have to boss up on her.
So me I tell you say no, right? You can't matter. Your father is a problem in my life. Can't matter. So no up to.
No.
So
Karen,
where girl say to no? Otherwise.
me have to dog her up. That them maga girl they could never be my cousin's stepmother. She could never be her stepmother. Me dog her up and walk off. Cause she turn up the day they make them a total
my father go put you out for she.
Wow,
Yeah.
when? Hey.
He look like a dog in a Scooby-Doo. Me a be honest.
So see girl, people like them there, do not argue with them. Say
Argue
okay
with her.
and just move on. People like them there, they're relevant in our life. First thing. Nobody can get me with this house here. Nobody attack and live this house here. That me I tell you. So when you see people like them there, you say, okay, let's move on. You hear me I say to you, not argue with nobody on the road.
Yeah.
When your father come, me need to talk to him. Because right now, me see drama thing, me can't manage the drama thing. If me want, If she want him, go on. And that's what me I say.
Yes,
Not
mommy.
argue with nobody. I can't hear me, baby.
Yes, mommy.
But when I say brother, I can say
My father?
yeah, my brother.
He said he's supposed to come up here either this evening or tomorrow, you know, so he just come down from town and all of them something there. So I'm tired. Yeah. So, when I go out down, probably me anymore, come back up here.
Today?
Yeah, me probably, would I stay up here with you, but me not have no space up here for me.
Mommy,
So,
me
but,
walk going go lie down.
gorgeous.
I'm going go lie down here.
So you look tired, my baby. Alright, go on. So I'm gonna get something to eat, eh, baby.
Yeah.
Or just go back down, cause.
So you tell your aunt but you stay?
Ask him?
Yeah.
When he come up here, if he come up here this evening, would I ask him to stay? But.
They call a long time, not soon, you know, I just want some time with them, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, my daughter, I just see she not come.
But our father not got no problem. No problem.
Call him too. He might want next one. I don't even know. You have to just talk to him, yeah?
Yeah. So me I go back down now here, cause daddy, me tell him say me I come up here and me dip on the road about 2 hours now, yeah. So me I go back down.
But me catch up here.
Yeah. We will come back later. Yeah. Daddy.
Where did you see that?
Me did go down to auntie go look for my cousin.
Me go auntie, and I tell me so go down auntie go look because you see that.
But he busy. Me just go down there
So
go look
me
for
have
her.
phone for me buy your phone. For where your phone there?
My phone dead down the yard.
So you could call me and tell me say I got auntie.
Me never have no credit.
You borrow phone. You could
Me borrow loan already then
so
I'll let me know.
auntie could borrow auntie phone and call me say you down there see that.
Cause she thinks say I go come up there.
Come do what?
Come look for her and your sister.
That don't say. And every day me want to see my sister.
Them cousin go on the road.
Me go on the road go do.
Walk. Just take a walk. Come in here. See her from a win.
You know trust on you know cause no girl picking you know.
You don't trust me? You look at me on road?
Me don't know when you go on the road go do. When time I feel your side no go like an angel you know but when the back away. And I devil.
Me don't get trouble.
Me don't know that.
Get trouble on the road. Where's on the road? Me don't get trouble on the road. No, I don't give trouble on the road.
Me don't know, cause when me I your age.
Your friend man, I tell you say they see me I get trouble, me did I get trouble, you know.
No, they know me still, so they not gonna tell me. I know me gonna kill you with like.
Oh. So, what you doing now?
You know, so me I do now.
Oh, that them.
Oh, what? We take go to watch the plate, tomorrow, so down the pedal. That one to go to.
Daddy, we wake up this early this morning and she go the house and clean up the car. Cause what happened?
No, let me not see you.
Where you big now?
I'm not big now. How long time I not see you? Think you that come to my head today?
Go on do what?
Let me go and do what?
Every day I want to see you.
Look how long I not see you.
So every time I want to see you. I want a break from you, that's why I come check you. Right now, I see you right now, I stress out right now, I just see you here.
You know what me do? You can't eat me so.
You don't do me, me just tired of people sometimes. You know? So what happened now? So what happened now? They're sure not to look for me.
Because I not like how you talk to her.
Exactly.
Me not like it. I don't like it. Me sorry, I'm father, but me not like it.
What may I talk to her?
You talk to her over you like say you never want to see her. Your sister.
Now. Me don't want to see her right now. I'm call like me not growing up in the same house.
You can get one big contract and come back down and have money in and want to see her now. Yes, he hype.
Oh, that's broke. When me tell you this, me not come here to beg you nothing. Me I walk, go up there with my picnic and me see you. And me say me I hear you up. Me not beg anything. Cause first thing
you kiss that you never walk past.
You not have nothing to give me. Because through you must have contract. You go like say, you're top man.
So me now
what? I say life.
Me no bottom man.
Remember when we get down the sun, me and you. Me and you down the sun. And after reach up the sun, you disappear.
What me not do? What me I do then, sir?
Remember when you down the sun?
I do what?
Oh, I do what? But we never have no, you never have not,
No lie.
you never have, okay.
But me have something now.
Oh, that's say I move so hype.
Me know I'm just tired to see you now.
Yeah.
Me no know.
Daddy, when you never have no money, you never tired to see her, you know? When you never have no money, you never tired to see her. You never tired to see her, your sister.
Know yourself, man. Know yourself. Know yourself. When
Me
me
know
see you
what
again,
yeah.
me I walk past you. And when me see you that are dead, me I walk past you and go my business. Me not
Me
a
no
brother.
walk
So,
Me
past
not a
me, yeah?
brother.
No walk
so me
past
and they
me.
go walk past me.
You're my baby.
Eh?
Yeah.
So me and they go walk past me.
Yes.
Yeah.
So you want my money? Go on.
Acha.
Go on.
Acha. Me there you start talk to you decent. Come to your other sister, you come and give me attitude and I go on just because you're up there.
And I come
Me
up
so up
there.
there too.
Me want you up there too.
Mm.
And I really that
That's why
neither
me
man.
can't in the
Me
game.
pick the coming here, they say
Can't in
even
the
talk, push
game.
game.
Game where they play.
What kind of
They
game
can
you
reach
talk
up there,
about?
so.
What kind of game you
Me
talk
don't know.
about? A video game?
Me don't know anything about. Me want to know
Me can't teach you to play a
cause
video
me can reach
game.
up there, so. What?
A video game, man. Can't teach you to play a video game on the TV over there. You want game over there, me can't teach you to play.
You take everything for joke, don't.
You
You
say
take
you want,
everything for joke,
my
don't.
daughter.
Yes.
What she said she want to learn? No, they want get, no, the game.
Yes, but another the video game that she talk
Can't
about.
tell
She
me
is
baby.
talking
Oh,
the
on
working game.
on the
Right.
phone.
The working
Me want game
game.
from my phone, man.
No,
Want
daddy.
gun game.
Me can't play a gun game. Me don't want to play a gun game.
I want to
And
load
me
the
can't
game
play
from
a
my
gun
phone too.
game.
Me want to load
Me
it.
want to learn the game where I met them here and reach up the song.
Oh.
Yes.
A bucket me swing.
Yeah.
Me want to sing it too. If I that you do reach up the song, yes.
A bucket me swing, man. I want to. Tell him how say me build them.
No.
You can't sing bucket.
Why not? Why not? Why not? You look down upon me like say, yeah, me can't know. Don't judge a book by its cover.
Me never see you sing bucket yet.
Oh.
I will take a cup in a house and on your phone. Or you walk down by your business. Me never see you sing bucket yet.
Well, if it reach the case, so I have to do it, yeah, I will do it.
Right, just come all that butter. I know, you know. I can't wear smoking meds in peace.
You ever stress out? Every day I smoke, you ever stress out?
So me have to stress
my
for your
business
smoke.
because you for that much
Me have to
attitude.
stress for smoke. Me have to stress for smoke.
You have a problem if you smoke.
Are you on my problem?
Me a problem?
Mm-hmm.
Me a problem?
Mm-hmm.
It's alright, job boy. Me got my business. It's alright.
Lolo mo, look more.
Alright.
Alright.
Hold on, baby. Later, Nifu.
Later.
So I'm to me. I'm not getting later too.
You didn't say nothing about them, daddy.
Go on about all the business to you, man. So I go on with my daughter.
No. Mommy, me can't believe say uncle rub you out, so.
What you mean?
He rub you out.
We are talking about him. Right now.
You see him in the pan top and he not would help you.
I saw the hype went and reach over fine and you know I have them things. I saw the hype and go on. But I'm just sorry to see my brother.
But that's if you look walk.
Hey, little girl. How we have face with you? You know say I could get work, with that work. Who am I going to make you stay with?
No.
Time I get work, man.
Daddy. Mommy, uncle, this is fake. But mommy.
So where that come from?
I walk up and with him.
How are your uncle disrespect him brother? His sister matter, I can't really brother.
I find job or something.
That's wonderful.
Mommy, figure find one job too.
Amen. Wonderful.
Shut up, mama. You picnic, you can't chat, so. Why the pan the road make you stay upon the road? Where you carry in your yard for?
Right. You need a job. Get a job.
I never tell someone.
Mommy, let down the family.
I know you just know.
You say anyway, me I go again and stay in the house here alone, me not can back of me.
I know you just know say your mommy let down the family. She don't want to work. She want to live off of me.
So who feel live
And is
off
that, huh?
Who me feel live off of? Who breed me and give me pitney? Who feel live off of? You tell someone pitney?
My job done on the breeder. You can work. You can work.
Oh, you think I say go?
Who said anyone pitney? Me or you?
Never want no pitney, never ready.
A stingy man like me really would have want pitney. Are you chat me? Anyway. You need to sit you're young. You can't talk to your mother if you go look work. But you say if you need bad for things and are hungry every minute, you'd go look work. But no, me I come to come
So
back.
when father did the fine, you should be ball too. You is the man of the house. You is the father. You should supposed to ball too.
Oh. So, me the man of the house?
Yes. How are you?
Me the man of the house. You know. You pack your bag and you come out here until you get to work.
Huh?
China, you know.
Hey.
You pack your bag and you come out.
You there, Joko? Who a pop bag and come out of this house here?
So, you know,
Because me not work here, put me out of the house. A joke thing
you
on
know,
the
your
farm,
daughter
brother.
say you bring down the family. Where you want to go to next?
Bring down the family because my brother disrespect me.
You get a job.
Me don't want no job. Me don't want no job. Me not ready for work.
So I mean, alone to take care of Nene.
Yes. You alone take care of Nene. Nene, I feel you. You alone supposed to take care of her. What you want help to do?
Nene alone I eat more than when enough to eat at daytime.
I know me cause that.
When she make macaroni and cheese at 2 box one time. When she make ramen at 3, she
And don't you give her them? Don't you tell her say use it and she come back to you and tell her say she want another one and you say alright then take it. Are you supposed to get the blame, not me?
Your mommy should get her work, right? Tell her.
Mommy is supposed to get her work.
Why you not get up and go look and work? Hey, little girl, don't have anything.
Mommy, me too little.
You're too little. Okay, no little no more boss. You chat too much.
Right, man. You have to get a job, man. Go look at work.
You know what you want to say? I'm not for work.
Big chan girl like you should have take care of me. No.
Hey.
Me never get a birthday gift from you. No matter how much birthday gift me buy give you. You pop them people flowers to come in here like me a papi show. And when me buy you the Samsung phone, you take it dash it through the window.
iPhone no one.
See thing.
Welcome for your Samsung phone. Android.
So hard, me a work.
Are you supposed to work, me they say? You supposed to work. And can money come? Don't argue me, yeah? Do not argue with me.
Sometimes some old man, you know, we take up woman, you know, we do an interview with them first before we can them go yard, you know. If you can them go to some friend yard, go spend a week with interview. Because it's woman, see me a road and carry you go a yard are two different things.
Whatever.
Cause first thing, you don't want to work. You just want to lay back. You don't want to do nothing.
Me and the likes of me don't want to work, but I do not want to work for people. I want to have my own business. Get me a business and me work. Work. Me not work for nobody. Myself, me go work for.
How much?
10.
10, right?
Mm-hmm.
So out of the 14 years I know you before Nene born, right? Why you never save them the money them time you say lavish you spend for you? Why you never save you start a business?
Me barely that rule me them time there.
Okay. You better that rule now.
Yes.
Listen, today is the last day. No one for saying yes. So, go on in there. We'll talk to your mother. You're going to find a man. Live with, but not me. Pack one.
Me nah pack up down because me nah come out there. Where me I go?
Make sure you come back your back.
Where me I go? Boy, come at me go my daughter. I know if you do.
So, you're going to live yesterday, you know, with me, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you're the new woman of the yard.
Finna got it.
How old is ya?
Me didn't tell you to pack your bag.
How old is ya?
I'm a woman, I'm
I
going to replace
this
you.
damn girl.
Finna got
Let me
it.
send a stop trying
Finna got
to
it.
call me. So,
Woman, you not got it. Oi,
No,
woman,
listen to
oi.
me.
what is this?
Hello.
What is what?
I know your time, mate. Go for your things and more and go, you know.
Me tell you, no, mommy say she I use.
Me didn't tell you, you know. Me didn't tell you, you know. Full time now, no. Me tell you.
Me confused.
Huh?
What go on here, so?
Confused with that. Me myself
So you put me out of
confused.
the office, she?
Yeah, cause she interested to work. You don't want to work? You don't want to work? Eh? You don't want to work? She interested to work and take care of my fitness and well fed and top walk up and down for the road.
2 hours later. You know, move it. Hmm?
Relax
Where
now,
are they,
baby.
so,
Just
mama?
relax now, man.
You know,
Yeah,
see?
yeah, so.
You know, see what me I do, yeah, so?
Listen, man. Why you can't go right now?
Where me I go? You put me up?
Me no business where you want to go pack your bag?
And go.
Go on.
And vamos.
Go and get your bag. Go and get your bag.
And vamos.
Go and get your bag.
It's alright, man. Me not have to know to you.
Go and get your bag.
Feel you.
Get your bag, come out and go. Come here, my daughter. Come right here, sir. As of from today, she's the lady of the house. What me say?
as of from today, she's the lady of the house.
Right, and she I will take you to the fullest.
Well, Annie, I'm fixed attitude.
She have mother. She respectable for you, right?
Oi!
Y'all come with me?
No.
No, my daughter can't go there, not working.
Nope.
Under the court law, you cannot take my child out of
Are you
here.
happy with where you go breed?
What is
Where you go breed?
I know me I get put out. Go on, not listen. Sure. I'm gonna catch you for
See you? God not sleep here. God not sleep. You tell me, baby? God
Yeah,
not
man.
sleep.
They tell us if it start work
Mind
on
the
the
plane,
thing.
if you go on. Hurry up.
Anyway, when the one go get to know each other, I just...
Get to know who?
Talk to your father better. I'm me pinch off.
Are your mother this you know, you know? Your stepmother, matter of fact, not your blood mother, but your stepmother. She go and cook for you. She go and make sure you're well fed. She go and make sure you're clean. She go and make sure you don't left the yard, right? While we got work money, right?
Right? Right?
Right.
One in.
Make sure you say, no harm no come to my pitney. Make sure you say, my pitney have no complaint against you. Else
Listen,
you
all
go...
complain enough about me. I've me talk to her about the right thing. She do not have
Okay,
no manners.
alright, morning. You're sexy thing, you.
Me know. Boy.
Wow. Sister, you go on vacation? Which one? Or you come from vacation? Which one?
We shall go, me did I go.
Or you go on vacation or?
We shall did go, me did I go.
Oh, wish.
Every time you say you go, tell me go. It's stress out.
Me stress out too. What happened? You help me so?
You know, so my baby father put me out for your next girl. What's so funny?
What you say?
Put me out for your next girl and the girl even look better than me.
Good.
I mean, I know where to go.
When anything you should show your pants, so you tell me know if you go for.
Come on, come
You remember
on,
one time I
too.
didn't need help and you put up my daughter in a cold weather?
That
You
was
remember?
then.
Then the house got burnt down.
That was then. This is no, we can't do me
So I
so.
see him touch me as a movie and if the house burnt down, kick you out. Oh.
Daddy,
Mm-mm.
you can't do
Me,
her
look
so.
where I'm with that, my
You
daughter.
can't do that.
See,
Don't do that, man. Because don't render evil for evil. You're not to do that to your sister already.
Yeah.
I'm not evil.
And not two
You
bed
about
down
karma?
there.
One for me and one for you.
One for me. That means she can sleep on my bed.
And who buy?
You.
Oh.
So we are, you can't go and
So
talk
you're
to
going to make me
me.
sleep in a bush and on the road after she know my do, man.
Other day, I still have to go look for a job, right? Eh?
Suppose you can't find a work. How she can find work so fast?
Look much people in a place want a bartender.
Me no want no bar work.
Bar work at your spot. You
No.
see spot. So.
No. You can't lick before big. You have to creep before you walk.
So you can't put me on feet too there.
Them the big bag that fit 2 day. No. Them the bag
They did have to move out everything out time house because the woman come, so them put me out.
No, where you are gonna go, but me house little. I want a little 2 room.
Can't sleep with me knees.
Sleep with which knees?
Come in room big.
No. Where you try to practice me if you turn?
Thank you, baby.
You can't do that. For so, if she has sleep out the road, me sleep out the road too. So you have to take her up before we come back.
Nothing wrong with that. I can't give her money so you can go eat.
You see when you give me money, you take your care of the villa, yeah?
Alright,
How long
baby.
the money never last for?
Eh?
3 grand can go villa.
Trigon? No. Well, me no know I'm go do.
How can I better you be?
What kind of sister you be? Remember you about karma.
That's
I hate
wickedness.
this, I know wickedness.
Karma go catch your back.
When she put up me and you in a weather.
That was then, that
You
was
never know, you
then.
never show wicked.
That, me did little, me never understand. Me
That
never
you did
business about
little.
that.
You have to understand now.
But no, me mean, me a talk about no. You can't go and pick her up.
Me can't. What's a distraction from build up my little weed? Build up my weed in the face now, man.
So me can go for
Go
you,
post in the yard and go find a new man. One pay baby father.
Me tell him put me out for your next girl.
Oh, me just remember.
I'll ask you one question. I know the girl when my cousin and me and
Yes, a she.
That them got ugly turn face girl there?
If you even want to call in name right after.
Why?
But as she replace her though. She the replacement.
So can I talk to him baby father when I come up your yard?
You look like me like man.
So me I go brother.
How me feel know where you all go? You look like I care.
So when my cousin there?
I'm just mad.
I care.
If I don't know why me carry man, he stepmother down there. And he's like, me can't have stress out.
No, auntie, look why you're big and look under the maga girl. You can't tell me say she and the man put you out.
Yes, the man did it too and me can't talk. Me can't stress
The man
out.
not even all that. The man ugly. Me never know yes if
Give her back her bag.
Daddy, where you do?
Give her back her bag now, man.
Eh.
I don't know where you're going, but I can't help you.
Please. Have it tonight. We find somewhere to go. Have it tonight.
Not even for second.
Wow.
See,
Not even for walk through the gate. Me even when you look for my gate.
you know say when she better and build her house that day, suppose she house burn down.
You know go burn down. God forbid.
You know say you say karma catch her no. Karma go catch her back. Karma go catch her back because you don't want to take her in and the unfair.
Unless you not have no way can put me can't sleep with my baby girl.
No. What kind of what?
Baby
and too much I on my bed. So I can take off one and put her ground.
Woman can give her one man, she can find someone to go with that. Here we go on. Somewhere up, somewhere. Back up, so. Someone goes up there, I know a couple of them deck off already. So you can go there little list. Probably in the bathroom for the mattress. Can give you one sheet and I feel like you can keep back.
Me not dog. Me find somewhere to go. Me not have to come up here.
Hello, you sleep with a dog, here?
Me no.
Dog no get sheet or mattress.
Well, me not sleeping in the bathroom. I no ground in the mattress.
You not sleeping in the bedroom, then man a house in sleep in the bedroom. You board up with some board. Cause good one like people in the come and start work on you. Till you look.
Don't worry yourself, you remember saying I go off for a long time, You go brought down and you want help too. And do not run to me.
Bravo.
I must make it out in a life, I must make it out in a life. I will just corrupt.
Corrupt, I call it.
And wicked and weird. Because I can never see me as a sister and then I know say me not know if you don't want to put me for a thing go up a place in a bathroom.
So you see me as a brother. But me never know if you go. Rain and fall. Oh, with my little daughter. Me even reach 1 year old.
Me distressed.
You distressed?
Yes, me really stressed out.
I'm stressed out right now.
I know me right now me come like say me just want to give
stressed
up.
Out.
So you're gonna make you go kill herself? And then you see a man turn around and ball.
This one piece of rope is somewhere in about. He come like he wanna come feed. Come I'll get a rope, you know.
So wicked.
Without get a rope, but me can't find rope.
Give me rope for the what?
Let me hang yourself.
Wow.
If you're stressed out like that, me can't help you. So me get one rope for you.
Sometimes I wonder if I'm a biological brother.
Where you run, me that rope, me I look for figure R.
So you really want me to kill myself?
Me I talk more ropes, me I look for your rope figure.
Me to say you want something to do, you know. You really want something to do.
I need to me I find something to do, You can't go down at the yard, go look for your little cousin when you're ready.
Yeah, go down there. Me, I have to go down there. Cause that them
A woman name, you can't walk, man. Go in a square, man. I must find a man to pick you up.
She pretty. If you, me know say if you never see brother, you don't want her.
Me?
Yeah.
No, sir. Me don't think so. Enough man out now we pick you up, man. How you look on so?
You just hate you.
I'm glad. If you like me, you're that worse.
I need to me go try go somewhere,
Yeah.
I love you, baby girl.
Yeah.
Because you don't like go check for me when you're ready.
Yeah, we go down there.
Alright.
But if I come down later, so me I go look for her.
She go look for your cousin later, yeah, baby. I find somewhere to go. You can't bother.
See your journey here?
Daddy, you tell me say that okay to make your sister go sleep with
her.
her.
So nowhere to go.
You know in the sleeping time.
In a abandoned building.
Cave wall along there so.
Cave wall.
Down there so I be a rat bat.
Well, at least a conflict can hide it, you know?
Me not have nothing. Me not have. This, you know, say we good, but
The Bible says you should not render evil for evil. That's so it for.
I know evil.
And right now, you render evil for evil. Because you remember from...
The Bible say.
Daddy.
Listen what the Bible say. What you say again, but me even remember what the Bible say.
Yeah,
Jesus
no, make me talk now,
Christ,
so
what?
God. You said she put you before me reach one, so you tell me say back 13 years ago that, and you still did
I sin for remember now what you say. I sin for feed the lazy. Alright, make him go on.
Sin for feed a lazy man, you're not remember.
At that, me I tell him make she go on.
Yes. Me like me do, yeah? You got exercise this morning. You go do ups and down. Ready?
After my father make me jump, so I'm an athlete.
Listen to me. Anything me say, you have to do it. Remember, I'm telling you. Ready?
Me want athlete as a jumper.
Ready? Come. Up, down, up, down, up. Breathe lively. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Do 10 push-up. Come, so. Me push up them. Ready? Push up. Yeah. Good on. Say good on, sink in your back. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Alright, get up. Yeah. Me know. Where's your man? Come so. Hello. Listen to me. The same thing me say, you have to do it. And you hear me say? You hungry?
Yes.
Me and go in the kitchen, go to boss in the eat. And don't talk to me so.
Nene!
What?
What going, girl?
What?
I'm there. Girl, you want to go down on the road?
I see look how he's damn idiot girl when me this show you.
Yeah.
My father gonna take her up.
That the chihuahua looking girl there?
Yeah, you feel like Scooby-Doo.
She not even all that. But, how what she do?
But tell
I
me,
know, so your mother way better than her.
tell me what to do jumping jacks.
Yeah, idiot. You want me to this lick you? I'm making a good jumping jacks.
Yeah, come on, go up on the road for she.
Exercise.
Come on, go up on the road for she come back.
Yeah, girl, come on.
Push.
Nana! Nana!
No.
Nana! You say girl? No, sir. Nana! She not in ya. She not run this, so okay. A big woman. A big woman. So you know me about this happy in there? Me go give him some lick. That even Cooper could tell me to take care of him. And you see? You see, the chance stand there that make you look like say me careless.
And
That
my
make you like
friend,
me careless, girl. Don't do them something there. Don't do it.
and my friend, them go up on the road with.
You did tell me say your friend and me go on the road with, eh? Look how you're underage. Don't do that. I mean, I want to send you, what if a man see out the road now and kidnap you and gone with you, eh? Hello, listen to me. I'm not going to prison yet. I do not ready to go to prison. And don't promise so. Come in the jars them. Don't promise so. You know, you say don't promise so. Come go up in here. Go up. Now, no manners. Every day you get up and go on the road like you're your own big man. You feel like you're a big man?
No.
Okay, I just 11-year-old. You need to stop it, man. You need to stop it. Me I talk to you and you walk at the same time. And don't promise so much I'm together that.
You know, say sometimes me not like you.
So, me never like you either. Me not like you either. I don't know what you can talk about sometimes I never like you. I never like you either. As me say, me not go in and no problem. I'm not go to prison. So not look up hit me. Same thing me say, you have to do it. You hear me say? You hear me say? You say you gam lick them black like your papa one. You hear me say? Are you me say me talk to? Oh, me say me talk to. You hear me say? How much myself me I talk to? No, myself me I talk to. No, you feel like me your size. Eh? What you do down so? What you do down so?
Me did go with my friend then some.
You ask me permission? Did you ask me permission?
No.
So you take a pet game self and go and boy your business. Eh? What if a man see a road and kidnap you and go and boy your business, go and boy them business? And things sitting there, you're not even ready, you don't ever touch it. Don't promise so, I don't like when you promise so. Me no dog. Say them black like your power one. That's why you ain't get your offer, you know? You ain't get it. You ain't get your offer. Because what you know? Him not like a nayard. Him like go about paying business. Listen to me, me not in it with you and your fire. Same thing me say to you, you work with it. You hear me say?
Yes.
You hear me?
Yes.
Okay, and don't promise you either. Because me took them out. Whoop. Video you come meet up in I want kiss I setting. Hurry up and go up. And don't make me split going in everything I go up. Take off of me hand too.
But I hold me and even.
Do not talk to me so. Talk to me with respect. You know say I'm gonna start lick you? Oi! You know I'm gonna start lick you and make you feel it lick them? Cause I can't get my money. And you feel like say one can lift me on that side. You have to have respect to me. You have to stand up to me. You hear me say?
Yes.
And I'm gonna say yes. Say yes, mommy.
Yes, mommy.
That's what you say. And I make me talk to you once or 2 times. So I talk to you 2 times or 3 times, yeah, I get my hand back. And you now go pretty when I get my hand back. You see them 2 yeah? When big like your power one, me I juke them out. Me I juke them out. And don't turn up, Anna. No turn up, no Kimbo you say in front of me. And me alone for Kimbo in front of you. You don't do that. Never yet do that. So more you see everything me I do for you. You see everything me I do for you. And you come disrespect me. You talk to me like say, me and your dirty jars them. You even like wash. And then me get up and wash them. Eh? Your daddy not do that and me alone not do that. Cause I say not touch your jars them. Oi! Are you me attack chat too? Yes, no, me. I told me can't. Oi, turn up this one. I told me can't find until lick here, you know. Whoa. Turn that yard, man. Turn that yard. Go up, man. Come on. Hurry up. Hurry up. Say, hurry up, man. I'll fix your face. Fix your face. I'll hurry up and walk. Tap walk slow. Now you walk beside them. Walk in front of me. Say, hurry up and walk, man. Feel like you're in my size or so.
Oh, where that come from? Where that come from?
Daddy, she carry me out of the yard.
Look a girl. Me carry you tired.
Hello.
Hello, done with that. You know me go fear? You know me go fear?
Daddy, I lie. You're not listening
Hello,
to me.
listen to me.
Daddy,
Tell
I
your father
carry
truth
me out
and
of
me box up for you lick them.
And you
Nah,
carry me
no
out of
lie.
the
Listen
yard.
to me. And down the road down next time me go fear a while ago.
My picking not tell lie.
Listen to me. Hello. Me I talk to you. Listen to me.
And me I tell you, and you tell me. Me say me picking not tell lie. Why me picking out of the yard?
Listen.
That
Me go down the road and me see her we around this. So me say little girl what you do out of yard.
Daddy,
And me here come up here so I say me I send her around. She a give me attitude pan top of it. She
Daddy,
don't have no
she carry me
manners.
out of the yard.
Look at girl stop telling her.
Listen
to me.
You know what? Me come on for the road.
You see anything, you see anything this opinion I catch and not my fault.
Shut
Yeah?
up.
Don't have to shut up.
Come now, I'm going to talk to you on the road.
Listen
right
to
now.
me.
Listen,
No.
yard. People, we don't want nobody in my business. Come.
Come go down now, yeah. Cause you're too freaking lie.
You know, say you
Me
can't.
don't tell you, don't shoot me. Don't shoot me. Shoot
Come
she.
on.
You're tired and bright.
Why, I don't know. I don't know. You come like say, me can't left the yard in peace. Everything no run smooth. Why?
Talk to your pitney.
Listen, I ask you one more time. Who will take you out of the yard?
She take me out of here.
Alright, go on then.
I'm boxing for your mouth.
You see you now?
Me say,
If you can't control my daughter,
to me.
you not fit for run here.
Listen to me and listen to me codely. I not have the time for debate. I go down the road for go shop and come back and see her. I come from down the beef side there, so I'm asking her where she come from. She tell me say a friend. She go follow go down the road. So I really believe you pitney over your own woman.
No, listen to me. On my blood that, you're just a woman. That's a blood. You're a woman.
I know you're that for your pitney go on the road and breathe and come back in your belly.
Listen to me. I'm going to do. Call down breathe for me pitney before time. Eh? I call down breathe for me pitney before time. Me no live woman, but me will win that you.
Control your pitney.
Please go on in. And make sure you cook here. Because the time you walk back down the road and make my pitney left the yard, you should have cook.
Let me tell you this, your pitney spoon breed. Instead of pitney breed, you've got to look pan.
Alright, continue. Continue like that.
Turn out.
Yes, man. Me grow teeth. Me bring teeth in the house. Eh? You know, say my cousin say when you run out of minimart.
Eh?
My cousin stand up right at the minimart door and see when you run up. Me can't be sick.
You sure say how we?
Oi, on the pan camera. I mean, I think go beg the people, them right now down, them I go pay them for them bull I want to run out with. And we don't know what else to run out with. Me have to go look on the camera if it's one to run out else with. Why? Nana, me not give you money, me not give you food.
I know me. She carries the check by Bulla.
Do not tell no lie for me.
She carries the check by Bulla and then she something give me to something run out with it. And then after she run out back on me.
Don't tell no lie for me. You can pick me, don't tell no lie for me. Me never give money go buy Bulla.
No, yeah.
Me never give money to go buy Bulla.
No.
Me never give 100 to go buy Bulla.
No.
What a pitney lie. You lie like your papa, you know? Jesus Christ.
So you really take me picking out of the yard for got teeth, bulla.
Me give her, listen to me, me give her the $100.
Me not left money this morning.
So that's why me give her the $100 to go buy a Bulla. But some shock when you come tell me.
Don't tell me no lie. Did you steal the bulla by yourself?
No, she carry me. Go steal
Listen,
it.
man. Me go down there go pay for one and take it. But one way you take down there.
Hey, Bulla.
You sure it's a bulla?
Me never get $100 this morning for buy Bulla. And some for the gun shop cars.
You carry me out the go thief your Bulla.
Thief look like him out for me? Thief look like him out for me?
Hello.
I'm speaking. Hold on, come so sip it first. Yeah, where say no?
And you carry me go thief your Bulla.
Me, yep.
What if you're right? What me take you up for do? Take care of my fitness, right?
This fitness one. You notice with this fitness, you don't want me together.
Oh, it's got thief. That me not like. I don't like it. I'm not a thief. I'm not a beggar. Me hard working. Me make sure me left money going to this man.
So that's why me give her the money when I left with this man. Not until I left with this man, so me give her the $100.
Me left $100.
$100 Jamaican dollar. We can buy a Bulla.
$100 out of my pocket left you this morning.
$100 if you're not here.
That
Jamaican.
listen.
No US, Jamaican.
Oh no, go on up. You see, me I go down my mini mart. Any me see you up on the camera, I take up yourself willfully, you gotta pay the price. Go on up.
Good.
Go on up.
Look like you're the thief sin because piercing the pie your mouth. You see you, girl? You see you? Mama say you win yesterday, no? Mama say you win today, but Mama say today, God, say that everybody nobody want pinch after look out the way you have for you yesterday. Oh, you forgot to tell your man that. Eh? I'm myself, me I talk to you? I know that. Wait till me done bed. Wait till me done. Me say, anytime me done bed, just know say, you see this amount of you have, you see more black? You see any more black? When I done with it, it a go turn brown. Anyways, just take up my jars off my line for me. The red one, put it through the window. The soon come back, and I go bed. Now too.
What go on my daughter?
Daddy just wait, man. I go see her.
What go on in the yard? So what you do what I do?
What you want to say?
You just come out here.
Yeah,
You sure?
yeah.
When you walk this stepmother there, because him a one next one, and I can't believe say me see him on camera and get things yesterday.
In the house.
Pinky!
Oi!
I like them style, man. Come here.
Oi!
How do you? How do you?
And then me a bud me. Oh, Jesus. And then me a bud
What do
me.
you, idiot?
Ah!
What do you?
And then me a bud me.
Look here. Look here. Go on out of my yard. Me no want no woman come like a girl over here. Come out of my yard.
Me say them me a bud me.
My own business.
What?
Come out of my yard with your little crosses self. Go on.
Are you pick me a crosses?
I'm looking at your crosses, girl. But a girl bright. Eh? But and the little liar self. Eh? You see a lie?
I pepper me the pepper and panty.
Where you go?
Pepper and panty.
How make me run out the girl? And then say, you sure you prepare that?
Yes, the pepper.
Where you prepare it? You really pepper the... Look up at me. Yeah, mad somebody. You are go now. Why you do that?
Cause me never like her.
Oh, you never like her. Okay, it's alright. You know what? Go on in. You see what I'm today? No mac and cheese, no franks, no egg. Pear porridge every day. You go on in. Yam and banana for lunch. I'm going to spite you.
walk up. Walk up. Why you come food? You come to wash. You go you move like say.
No, shut up.
Yeah, you're virgin football.
I don't know what kind of son God give me. Say all you and your sister. She can't come down. I said we can't manage home.
Your mom tell me, I want to come on the river for a man. You can't do it by yourself. Every way you want me back at you. Yo, brother.
You're the only man in my life.
Hey, me do.
You must have back at your mother's
I'm not
side.
in your life. Listen, me in your life, lady. Me do in your life. Me not in your life. Never want to come in and say in your first case. Never want to come in and say.
You talk about that and you talk about that. Just make sure so anytime I done wash and make me money. You know, not for eat after. I never get none, not for eat.
What you say? Say you try to tell me, say now you're going to stop me. Hey, you see, if me come home and I don't see no food for me, hey, they kill you. Hey, I will beat you. Hey, I will head me at tape. Hear me I tell you? I will make sure so me come home and get food for me. Hey, I will beat you. Hey, take some mommy you want. Every time mommy you want, can't carry back at you. Want to my sister, you can't carry him too.
Come on, I'm telling you this.
I
don't remember what scripture say. You must obey your parents so your days may be long. I'm not think so you're going to live long neither. Rank and feisty. Like a bad breed pooper.
Marcella. Yeah, man, you deal with the thing, bro. Yeah, man, I down on the river. The river, I'm sure it's another buy, man. The piece of property where the river is from. Marcella, I'm soon call about. Like somebody have come on the property already. Alright, yeah. Hello?
Hi.
You know, this is a private property, right?
Well, if I never know at least, I know now.
I own this property.
You do?
I own this property here.
This property?
By law, I own the land, but I won't try to own the river. But you know, exactly you have to walk on my property to come on the river.
Okay.
But she, our lady, me not really charge it through, so... You don't wash at home, you don't have water at home?
Well, sometimes. Just a little washing job, you know?
Oh, so you get any kids?
Well, yeah. A son and a daughter.
Oh, so how is it? How old is the daughter, matter of fact?
She's just 17.
Wow.
My son is just 15.
Like. That sound good. That sound good. So can I come over sometime? Get to know you better?
I don't know. You want that?
Listen. You know, if you the one that I asked me one, listen. I want to take care of your bills. I want you to come to the river and wash. I want to get you a washing machine. Pay your where living. Own house or rent house.
Rentals.
Exactly. I can pay your bills.
I just see a stranger and want to do all those stuff for me. You're that kind?
You don't worry about
For
that.
real?
An angel like you. Yeah, definitely. I'll do anything for you.
So where you go want in return? Because men these days, them not so kind. Them not so kind. Them ever look something in return.
Yeah, by right, me understand that. Me understand everybody shall get what they want in return. You don't expect a woman to yam out a man. And the man can't get nothing out of the woman. It's either the woman has to work for the man, or the woman have to give the man look after the cookie in the jar. You're looking?
Cookie still the man.
Oh.
So you have a girlfriend?
No, I'm a single man, you know.
I'm single too, you know.
For real?
Yeah.
So I can start come to the yard and meet the kids and see how they look and things, you know?
Alright.
So hold on, do you have a number?
Yeah.
So give me a number, no?
Alright. You ready?
Yeah, man.
1876
Mm-hmm.
219
Mm-hmm.
3727. My name is Jane.
Okay, Jane. So
What's your name, by the way? Didn't get your name.
I'm David
David.
with the M. David Money. Why you laughing? No, for real. Why you laughing?
Oh God, you made my day, yeah.
No, don't laugh, man. Cause listen, let me tell you something. You see, my mother loved my father so much, and my father left him when he in a belly, you know. And my mother still go put me in her last name, you know. So you know what me do now? When my mother tell me this story, I go pay some money and change it to money. I put my last name as money. I'm not keeping my father's last name. You see, once you go left me in a belly, you're not supposed to be my father. Money is my father. Money is my lover. So if you want to enjoy my money, just come to me.
I'm feeling handsome. I still feel like money the funny.
Feel it. Yeah. Like it.
Yeah,
More know your daughter do still, yeah? So I'm gonna come visit you.
You want to know my daughter?
No more see how big she be. I think your phone is
Call
ringing.
phone, please, to the emergency call. Hurry.
I have a meeting to go, okay? I'm gonna wash my foot good because get out of it to wash my.
Hello.
I'll visit you soon, okay?
Alright, honey. Mr. Money,
Yeah.
you gonna call me?
I'm gonna call you.
Alright. Hello. Slippery. Ah. Who that? Come in now. Well, close. Come on.
Let's have one now.
One day for watch my watch, man. Nobody call my father one place, you know. We
You
just
want to
come.
have a seat?
The seat, they show me bed. People not sit down on bed.
Sure, I just gonna be talking. So I think so.
Alright.
Have a seat.
Well, then tell them to check you, but you know my last name, right?
You know your last name?
Yeah, my last name is Wealthy. Right? Wealthy. Yeah. So my father did, so I say go one, you know. Then tell me say you have something to sell. I would probably, don't know. Me not like the talking. Me not talk. What? Is it combo?
Well,
Why smart man not do our work? We not like one place. Listen me. I don't want to make no noise in here. I mean no noise and no want to do a listening. Be a chatting out the door. Me not like it.
don't let them. They're
Alright,
outside
anyway.
minding their own business.
They know me?
No,
Hope so.
I doubt it.
I don't want my name go back round because a man of stature. People look up to me. Yeah, they look up to me. So you know what? Because your business the way I do. People are talk about it, say you are going something around here. Some don't want them say, oh, me I come around here too. Someone just do me I go and cut. So how you go? What price?
Alright, price start from all the way at 10,000 upwards.
No, me not talk 4 women one time. I talk you alone. You alone me talk. Me know say when you have multiple women, you go up to that price there. But
I said it's 10,000, we can always negotiate. If you have maybe like 6,500, 7,500, that can work. But my price is 10,000, the minimum.
Alright, listen me say now.
Says either that or neither.
What you gonna do? How about you have 10,000, much zero behind it? 1, 2, 3. Much zero, 3, 0, and 10. Wait, now, no worry, I have a math spray now. How about you knock off 2 of the 0 them? Half I don't knock off 2. Knock off, if you knock off 1 of the 0 them, how much you end up with? That's too much too. If you knock off 1 of the 0 them then. And then we can talk. We can come here, but normally the girl them want to come a bridge at 1,500. So carry down to 1,000.
Excuse me?
1,000. Because end of the day you will feel good. If I have to give you some money and you just bring your teeth and say, I like it feel good. You have to make my money. You know feel good in my process if I pay you. So anyway, start at 1,000. So here what? Look at that round place. I will keep my money until later in the night. I go to the bridge.
No, like when you're here, you just stay. It's fine, You're here, let's just mess up.
I can come for the bed work out something, man. Come in, man.
This one.
Alright. Bargain is a bargain. It's 1,000. It is a little more because you do the extra things then, but anyway. One time, no left back. Give back card, so. It's $350. Right? So here now. I owe you the balance. The balance, yo, I'm a man of my word, I'm Mr. Wealth, right? I balance you. How much money now? I don't know much. 7,775. How much? No, I can't remember this. No money in pocket. Normally, as somebody is on the bridge, I owe some of my time. But I pay my bill. I'm very good on never ask. My name speak for itself. Go down there ask. So
the first time you're stopping, the first time you owe me.
That's good business.
So I never told me before.
Listen now, business is business and pleasure is pleasure. You cannot mix business with pleasure. You're mixing it here, so can you give me pleasure and doing business at the same time? It's not a good business. But anyway, she have more client there. So you use this here, fresh up yourself by Fabudi and whatever, soap wash out, wash out, turn it down. When them see how people are calling, the more people are calling. No, but you know, listen to me. I go get
You're very disrespectful.
This year is not your payment. So this year I will pack all that. Most of those come here differently. This is free. But I will carry 1,000 come here. Yeah? Yeah, hurry. Just do your thing. Yeah, you're going good. You're going good. Alright.
don't understand why I have to walk like that. So I couldn't meet the kids down at the front. Or they are not here.
One is here, by the way.
Who, your daughter? Oh.
I sent her in the room to do a little errand for me.
Oh.
My son is inside.
No, I see your son. No, don't. It's your daughter more obviously, isn't it? Everything good though?
Well, not really, but me just there go and live.
Live life home.
Live, just live.
Every time you see your wash. You have money?
No, me does the wash work.
Oh, you do wash work?
Yeah, remember when I meet me, they met me by the river. I want to see, remember?
I meet you by the river.
Down there.
Yeah, man. Oh, if you're a whole man, though, you have young panty.
What?
Or a perfume wash work.
It's mine, man.
Wow. So, when I'm gonna get to meet your daughter, I wanna see my stepdaughter, you know.
You want to see the stepdaughter?
Yeah, I want to know her. I can't be hiding every time you have to come here. If I'm at the back. It's like, we don't understand. Why? Why can't meet the family?
Everything takes time. Every single thing in life takes time. Even sun and darkness take time sometimes.
Okay. I understand. I understand definitely. I understand, you know.
So what's up?
I'm here, you know. Chilling. So what's going on though differently? Anything good?
Well, as I said, not really. Not really, but I'm still alive and well. As I can see, no pain. You understand me? Not really 100, but things could be worse. Things could be worse. Things could be worse.
Okay. I like that. So, can I stick around till your daughter come or?
Why not? Why not? Why not?
I can go later inside, you know. Oh boy. I wish you did younger, but that's not gonna fail, you know. Morning, Jane.
Morning.
So your daughter, there you go.
Yes, she's inside. What's the problem?
Alright, I come to talk to you because it seems like you don't really understand me. As me I say now, the daughter, you know, so she will definitely want me, don't want you.
What? You pull a joke. What you mean by is my daughter I definitely want, you don't want me? What's that supposed to mean? Huh? What's that supposed to mean?
Listen, you're too old. I would have wait till the daughter 20. I would have spent money for her until she's 20, then me and her go live together. I'm in my 25, what may I do with you? If I was in my 32 now, I would take you up. But when I'm in my 25, you have to leave me to the younger ones. When I'm 32, I would decide to take you up. That time, if you were like 58, 59, 60, and I'm 32, that could work. Because at least I'm half the age. But you double me. You understand?
Well, there's nothing here to understand. First of all, my daughter is a child. And for you to get my daughter, that seems impossible. So it's either you take me, right? Until whenever you want her, you get her, or you just forget about it. Can be done so we have to have about some old. Age is just a number. Age is just a number. It's about maturity. My daughter is out of this. So if you want me there so. Me there right here so.
Huh? Alright, here I know. More or less, you see all these bills, the water bill, the light bill, the rent bill, food bill, Santa Claus bill. It's when they have sense, you call me, because more know why you don't use your head before you talk. You know, I know work. Remember saying, no, you have to just sell 1 and 2 sets for the side, you know, and that not help because of $1,500. I broke. That not help. You have to go to 20 man if you can pay them the bill there. And by the every 2 man you pop down because you're old. So you know what? When I send you call me for.
Alright, come here.
No, we can't talk now.
So I'm gonna call them, I don't have a number. How can I style that?
Morning, Mummy.
Morning. Want me?
I drink tea though.
My favorite coffee, black coffee.
Oh, babe, we come beg our money still. Cause the money for company run more buy my girlfriend something.
You want a what?
Money, I want some money.
You know, you're wicked. Sometimes I can't even find food for you and your sister to eat. Much less you have the audacity, but you want money to buy something for girlfriend.
Oh,
you're not 15, 16.
You must give me some allowance.
First of all, you don't need a girlfriend. You don't need a girlfriend.
So we need.
You don't need a girlfriend.
So we need.
You need Jesus.
You need Jesus.
I don't have any money. I don't have it. But girlfriend.
I bet if I she can't sell a yard.
What? Forgot mine, man. You look at head.
So.
Just go and go sweep up the yard. The place won't clean. I don't see that.
Alright, Mom. One reason now. Right? You did plan for me. Because I see when I young youth them with feed them woman. Right? I do feed them thing with feed them woman. And me not have no woman. So I'm not special, I'm not somebody picking it up. I'm not somebody picking it up.
You want to know the truth? No, me never planned for you. One night, me I come in from church, and me say this black ugly man. I demand my body, and me say no. And he just hold me down and take it and just jump out just like that, like Aki Peg. Me never planned for you. Me never want no more pitney. After that one, the papa breed me. Me never want no more child. So you just appear. Me never planned for you. But say your friend this and other people this and about girlfriend. You can't even spell girlfriend. Those things are expensive. Leave it alone. To manhood, you're a child. You can't mind woman. Woman expensive. Very. I look for me too.
That you talk about you. My father, a bad man, so he running in blood. You see, hey, I will beat you, see. No matter if your mother, hey, I will give you some money, you woman, not blame me, you know. So if anywhere you find the money from, you go find it. Rent us, I will burn it down. Yeah, I will burn down every last side. You can't find money, hey, don't blame me, no lady. Don't blame me, you know. Alright, we done that.
I know that. Burn it down. Since you build it, and you are parent, burn it down. If I think you're bad, try it. You must be sick in your head. You think you burnt me? Are you burnt me? Lick. Look boy. Go on, get up, go on the saw. Get up.
Don't touch me.
Get up, go tidy the kitchen.
Tidy which kitchen? You look at it? Hey, lady. Hey, emergency are you this, alright? You say never lose emergency are you this. Hey, look.
Hey!
Hey, step in your face, I say woman. Hey.
You know?
Let me. Stop playing me now, man.
What is not this?
Hey,
So because of one woman, you have to step in your... Because of one woman. What a sudden destruction.
If you play speed now. Cushion down for your face.
Hey! Like father, like son. Amen. Morning. Wow, what a good boy. Not really, but
I don't think I'm since my brother and I was partying in there.
Damien, girl, that piece of trash, I can't describe him. Him just left from here. The boy come here, want come in and talkings with me. Want come fight me up in the but never mind that. What's up with you?
You know, see something I can check about I have SBA come up. I'm gonna need chef hat, I'm gonna need apron and something there. Roughly 120 grand everything will cost. And kind of feel hungry and now want something to eat.
Boy, to be honest with you, Brittany, things very hard. I don't really have the money now, but I'm gonna try my best so I can get the money. So just give me like few hours up to 2 day time so I can just put 1 or 2 things together and get to the money. I don't have a payment now, but make me work on it.
Yeah, talk about 2 day time. Today is Saturday and on Monday I want something to do. I have to get them by Monday. I'm hungry right now, I'm not eating nothing for a morning. From last night I didn't eat.
Right now, I don't really have anything in the house. I just piece of pumpkin and yam. You can eat it with hile, or if you want sardine did it.
Yeah. I don't want to eat. So I want to the rich man David.
Alright, so David know that man after some hours I come here and I give him money and stuff like that and his attention. I sort of think say want me in a girl, but him come to me one different last week as a matter of fact and confess say him no want me, I'm too old for him. Him say you him want my daughter. Him say him interested in you. So me I say you're too young as him can see. So him say we'll wait until about 20. Till that 20 so him can maybe talk to you or whatever. So you can have sex on him something like that.
You're too old, but mommy, that is true because I think I'm around 25 or so. And you're old, you're very old. You can't deal with such a young man, mommy. I don't want my stepfather so young. No, sir, that can't work. You're too old for that, mommy. You need to get an older man.
Alright, now about me and my age. Let's just think about the future. Him say want you, right? And right now, we want money. So you can talk to him. If you even don't want him, just pretend. I remember say I always want to become an actress, you know, so talk to him and get some money and think about your future. Because I always go to college, you know. Or if you don't want that, as time goes by, we can always just ship a girl for him now if you know that. You can stay with the auntie. Better life for me and you and your brother, all them so rank and pasty.
I don't want to become like a UN because all you do a con man money. Me no want con the money. Take him man money and I don't want him. Mama there's something that don't nice. Because in a longer run, me come and stay like you. You're there, you no sit down, you have no money. If I can man and stay saying I turn it down. Then turn it down, man. Me no want nobody have nothing about me. Or nobody have nothing over me. Chabba me condemn and me this and me that. No. If me want the man, me want the man. And me want him. Me no want con him. Me want him in a relationship with him.
Yeah, come talk about you don't want to be like me and talk about me can man. And them can me. Can you imagine say, me I try to get employment. It not working. They must say, oh, man have the looks. A girl like you, they want to in them facility for employ because you're pretty and you're beautiful, my daughter. I go through much schooling. High school with much subjects, including maths and English. Gone nursing school, teaching college, and yet still nothing. Them know what employ me, them say me have the looks. Me have the qualification, yes, but nothing behind that. Me just there, you come talk about say me a con man. And them a con me, them a con me.
Mommy, it's not all about the looks, okay? Look here. Maybe how you deal with people. Because you deal with people bad. Your face the body, your rank. That might tell me say you Damien take care of I don't father. Mommy, you just need to understand. Me don't say truth hurts no, but if you have to go hurt you, you have to understand and learn, mommy. I want something before Monday. If me not get them, I don't know what me I go do. At least me go there with the rich man and move out to your house.
If you want to move out, or move in, or in out, I don't really care right now. You say you want the money, I said to you, I'm going to work on it so I can get the money before Monday, by Monday morning, 2 days time at least.
Look here. Please.
So if you can't wait, you just can't wait.
Me can't wait. Simple as that, me cannot wait. And since you actually want to move out, I want to move it, me going to move out. I'm not going to stay with it because of feasty. After me, I plan future for me and you so you can have a better life.
What way you plan future? What way?
Forget money so me can take care of you, but you're too feisty, me can't talk to you, mommy, later.
Why you can't feisty can't go on?
You can't talk to you right now, so you have to suffer.
The blood of Jesus against you, girl.
Against you, not against
me. Girl, shut up my mouth.
Don't shut up my mouth.
Because I reached 17, I think so you're an adult. You're a child.
I don't care. You're my mother is supposed to provide. I want to send me go there with the rich man. The rich man provide for me. Don't do it.
I'm not saying you, Mr. You have a choice. You can. I'm not saying you.
Hello?
Hello?
Yes?
What's up?
Then, oh, James,
What?
James?
Yes, she's same one.
So you want more like you want son young so?
What?
We are trying to son young so.
Alright, I want to talk to you. It's very urgent. You understand?
Alright.
You can come over the house now?
I'll be there in a sec.
You sure?
Sure, man.
Alright, don't keep me waiting.
Alright.
Alright, cool. What is it?
Alright.
Let me call you back here. Have a visitor.
Ton visitor, I'm going to son-in-law. So I go differently. You make up your mind?
I have good news. I've been thinking about the offer and I think it's a great idea. You understand? My daughter normally likes slim guys, you know, so you can try your luck. She should be inside. We can call her out if I want to go into her room and talk to her and so. And push your luck. You can always do that. But I wish you all the best and you have my blessing.
Boy, you finally make a great year tell her the right thing, right? No, I understand. So I say, she not know.
Yeah. But one more thing though, between me and you. I can tell you?
Sure.
Alright. You know what I say? I'm single. I know you more want this, so don't worry about that.
Oh, come
my
on.
daughter.
No.
I know you more want.
Yeah, man, you're single.
I graduate from your rejection long time. You know what me? Me no want you.
Right.
I'm single and need a man. Somebody sensible. You understand? I'm single and I need somebody.
A man in them 40s, right?
That's a good age. You can work. I'm normal attracted to older guys. But if a young guy come, I'll work with it.
No. Young guy, not gonna work. Unless them in them 30 years. But for now, 40 will work for you. You already agree. You can't take a young boy. Can you manage a young boy?
Why not?
A young boy will shift your organs.
Alright, I know my daughter, you will talk about what you're saying, or my son. So, I will call her for you, but before you do that, my dad will video with me, so I can post it, so person can know I'm single, so I can make it a look man. I don't want to use a phone. Now, your phone now?
I use your phone because I don't want it on my phone, you know. So when you're ready.
I'm not saying turn the other way.
Well, I'm going to look like in your 20s when you're in your 50. Yeah, let me say so, yeah. Alright, speak.
Hi, my name is Jane Lewis. I've been single for the past 6 months and I need someone. So if you're single and need a female, you can reach out to me. I'm attracted to dark guys, but it doesn't really matter right now. I just need someone who will love me for me and be there. So if I want to reach out to me, my number is 1-876-219-3727. That's my number. So just call me or WhatsApp me and let's just stay in touch. I really need a man. Single, I'm a good woman as well. Alright, bye.
Out.
Peace.
You know what is a lie? You single for 6 months? 6 years you're single for. What is? Call out the daughter. I can't believe you.
Brittany?
I can't believe you.
Brittany! Come here, my daughter. Emergency! Come now.
No, do it. Don't do that.
Yeah. Hi.
Wow. Look pretty nice, your mother do.
Thank you.
What? So your mother tell you to have me a new man, right?
Well, not about her right now, it's about me.
Okay, I'm here to take care of your needs.
Should I leave or should I stay?
No, come on, let's go in.
I'm gonna stay.
My daughter. Happiness.
Where's the money? So, where brother is?
My brother in there for a win.
So, I guess your mother tell everything, right? They're going to take care of you until you're 20, then we'll move you out.
Sure. Well, shut up about me like that. But otherwise from that day, we can't know our relationship. I'm the business what she wants to say, you know, about we, not about she.
Okay, no problem. So, and the things you have to take care of, you just write it down and I will deal with it.
Well, I have something I want to take care of still. I need an apron and chef hat and something for go to school Monday, which today is Saturday. And I need them by Monday. Mother say she can't afford them.
So, how much it costs?
Roughly around 20 grand.
Oh, no problem, man. That's cheap. Because the last girl tell me, they have 50 grand for them there.
50?
50 grand.
And it include me fear and something. Me fear that in it.
No worry. You see, you tell me the honest truth, I'm going to give you 30 grand.
Okay.
So you take care of that. So otherwise, you know, eat some morning.
I wish.
Right?
No, at all.
Alright, I'll give you $5,000 to go and buy food at a restaurant and eat.
Okay.
Otherwise than that, so I think I left my wallet in the car, you know. No worry, everything good. I have my wallet with me.
Alright.
So, is there anything else?
No,
No, we good friend, otherwise from
Alright.
Yeah.
And your brother stop we.
No about that.
I come here one morning. When I used to know your mother, you know. And I sit right in there and I get my backside wet. So that's how I find out.
So God said that because room would have rain right now. One room would have rain.
So I'm gonna go outside in the car and get the money, you know.
Alright.
And come back. Again, I respect you for that, you know.
Alright.
I respect you again. I have to shake hands for that. Where are you? Where are you?
May I come? No, cause. Show me.
I like that you're being safe, you know?
Yeah.
Alright, so.
Okay.
That's go right up.
Thank you.
Alright, so I want to see my way out. I want to talk to you, man. I feel cool. Alright, take care.
Alright.
No have no man.
No.
That's all. It's the one thing I know, man, everything cover.
I won't.
Okay.
Alright. Can you go to my friend in my school and go?
Alright, Jim. Right tell you the truth. I feel like that one that go work. You got to like me already, you know?
Like you?
But I'm sorry, if it is young now, I could have you some other work.
No, worry about that. Just pray for Mrs. Man to reach out to me.
I'll pray for you, you know, because
I really need a man.
you need 100 prayers, and me alone can't pray. You have to pray for yourself. Never you let people pray for you, yeah? You have to pray for yourself mostly. You can't ask me if I pray for you, you know. Me only can give you a little advice. I can pray, but you have to pray for yourself more. Because me can pray one time and I remember you. So you have to pray. What are you looking for? Me that every money I have in my wallet. I have to go to the bank. Don't look at me, Jane. Jane, you do all. I am paying the bills, that's all. I'm buying food in here. I can't give you pocket money now. The pocket money go to your daughter. Anything she need, she get more. You make a video for you, publish it. You go find a man and a man guy want you. A dark skin guy say one, no problem. I'm not a
Dark skin, tall, preferably.
Don't use my height because it won't be me. But anyway, dark skin guy, yeah, you won't get that.
Thanks for coming. You know, look bad.
Sis,
No.
this is the cologne.
Which one?
My cologne.
No?
You can't find me.
Where I ask you?
You know, say, me see. You think me don't know, say I carry money all the time.
No, mind your business. Mind your business.
Mind your business. I'm gonna tell mommy. Sorry, you forgot to mommy already. I collect money after each one for you already.
But I chat too much.
That no say.
And if you might not want to be with me,
That no say, you can't.
keep by your mouth.
That no say. You can't carry the money in the place. I know say mommy already I do something for you already.
What happened is no man? Must say you can't get no girl.
You can't satisfy me.
So you can't get no girl at business. So don't say nothing.
You too good this morning.
You too good at the show. Where's the name? I'll clean your back. Can't buy any money. You tell me to put this unpacking back away there. Can't take the mask in here.
I'm there with the last shoe.
What the fuck?
Watch me.
Are you good behind my cologne to your damn teeth? They are teeth, you know.
Don't call me no thief. Don't do it.
Are you gonna take my cologne?
Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't like it.
Could always get a dirty foot man too.
You tell us I don't put man. You can't tell us to put man. Boy, stop all argument with me. I'm not in a video here. I'm not in a video. Don't want no argument with me. I'm older than you. Older than you.
What me call you? I'm call you.
Shut up.
You go buy you.
Don't watch out for me. Not one business.
No business, yes.
Avoid me.
Go ahead and cry. How is it this all though?
You know, some sick and tell them, I'm going to tell mama something I want to tell with you. You have to be no friend, baby.
I don't want to tell with you.
My mouth feels swell up, I can't really chat good.
Yeah, man, it's not what I want.
Yeah, fuck chat though. I hope I can defend it. Who that?
Rick.
Oh, man.
Hi.
You good?
Yeah, man, I'm good.
Guys, good.
Guana?
You watch your sister so you would.
No,
I'm
watching.
going to see you watch it pool.
Where you come from?
I pay the bills, you know worry about that. I pay every bill in your soul. Light bill, water bill, food bill.
I talk to you already, no sister. Remember, I talk to you already.
Rent bill.
The little boy just too enough, I like him not to stay.
So what, man?
The weekend, give me a fight.
I'm not money I plan to go look for you.
No, sir. My friend them are good. Go, you know, have a one drink and talk about a couple stuff. Is it?
So your mother there?
She not there.
Okay, yo, sometimes I want to come and see her. She don't understand that you me want, me don't want she.
You know what I'm to her, yeah, man. She don't like see her pity then strive. She alone can strive.
So you go out here, your friend go have a drink. So, I'll get bank card.
Bill for look fat though.
Yeah, man. Money, you know. So,
Thank you.
buy what you want.
You must have a PIN number already. They tell me the last time.
And then when you buy one, buy, you give him back the card. But no purchase more than what you cannot.
Okay. Thank you.
Alright. And tell the mom, say, this month bill pay, yeah?
Alright.
Okay, no problem.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you doing?
I'm doing fine.
Wow, it smells so sweet.
Then I must feel.
Yeah, alone there.
No, your mother.
Which one should in her room?
Not your room.
So your brother.
I think they end up on the road to her place. You know what to you. Like your mother or something.
Well, never get to hear from her last night. I'm just asleep early, so I say, I have to come see her. I couldn't manage to just call her. I just want to see her in person. I did have to come over and see her.
You're good at things though.
Yeah, man. So anything for me though?
What?
Anything for me?
No. Yes. But in a room.
So we can do something to you in the morning.
Yeah.
So you look sad to go to the family?
No, my friend that my girl name again, Keisha. Me and her up on the road. She want me to help her do something at the pharmacy. So I follow her.
Come on, the neighbor there in her room.
No, not in there. I tell her I'm going to see him. I'm going busy. But make it to her because she's so much. She's taking one bar.
Oh.
Where you go?
Look
how long you're not coming. Look how long you're not coming. No, look how long you do not come here and you feel like you want to come march in them house. Where you going? Where you going, jog?
No, I water me a catch.
Catch water, no water not enough to catch. Excuse. Come on.
I feel me house too,
Where you go?
Are you? You lose the stop. Yo,
wanna chat to
Yo.
you here?
Oi.
You go on a new bolt here.
That's true.
How we?
You might try fix right yourself.
That's because the true there's a thinking, so that's why the bolt can't get fixed. But true, so probably gonna need something to carry out your back, so.
Alright, you can come on next time, come fix it.
Alright, no problem.
Yeah, because I need to start with a little boy. I need to fist him in the yak.
Yeah, man, no problem. You can't just come and want to fix
So
it,
for
yeah?
us to walk right there, so you walk
Show me
back.
slippers there, so.
Yeah, true.
So you cool them there?
Excuse.
And I come for look for the job.
Move.
If you want to get fixed,
Alright, we get move. Yeah. Move now! Let me tell you this. Don't interrupt. Hello. Do not interrupt more time I see me do things here.
We have come on that place.
You can't tell me that. The man a fix the door. What else I want?
Fix the door. Man a fix the door and kiss up on your jaw.
And I kiss him and kiss me. I tell him and
kiss
tell
him
me.
and-
I tell you something in my ears. Excuse.
Wait
Hold
there.
that. One full of water.
That's what wake you up to.
Wake me up. Oh. Me slap you in your face. You feel like say bad? Me older than you. Bright and face.
She say, yeah, take off from mommy.
Yeah, get too rank as your mommy say.
Yeah, take off mommy. You know, fling and say about the place like mommy.
Who you say a fling and say about the place? Don't do it. Don't mix me and that woman. Don't mix me and her. You're bright.
Make me put him back on there. Chop off.
Where you go do?
Yeah, chop off piece.
Boy, don't play with me. Here coming. Yo, don't play with me.
No, somewhere you go.
Go on with your friggin' business. Go on.
Somewhere you go.
My phone.
Right now, you know where you're going like you want this man rich brother and lie, you know. Where your money come here, you know.
It's me and this him?
Oh, because it's when him come back here. You know, some man give me a portion of my hey, me have to swap me so I got to turn up. You know,
Me
you
can't
look
stop
up,
that.
Hey, they look up broke pocket boy. The boy not have money.
Let me tell you
My
this now.
girl.
Me can't stop that. Every money we feel like you want to collect from him, me can't stop because guess what? I'm my man. I'm my man, me can't stop. Me can't make you no gain no money.
You can't come in that place.
Me not carry a man in that place.
Of course.
Me I tell you, so yes, me carry a man in that place to fix the door.
You lie. That's a simple thing where simple and somebody can't fix.
You don't then here. I cannot do it because my hands are too tender and they're too nice and can't push. Me not put up my finger them, so I need somebody have the money,
But
so I pay them.
You say a man, I tell you say a man always spend your ears then, no man always spend.
The man there, they always spend them. You have to tell him.
Who want to house and go there go man?
Hello?
Go on there go.
No, for run me out of this, you know.
Nobody ready to go.
Don't run me out of this.
Sure.
You know what?
Yeah, sis. Come on man.
See the girl I'll text me. Later, bye. Come back. Lift it.
Yes, Stacy. Girl, me I tell you. Me tell a man say me lonely and me stress out more while I need somebody in my life. All me I try, me can't find a good man. Single life is not mine, you know. I'm a good woman. Me can wash, me can clean, and me can make love great. And me still single.
Mommy.
It just Stacy, my son is here, so I'll shout you back. It just mommy.
Me not understand. More access
What's
something.
wrong?
More access
What's
something.
wrong?
More access something. How you feel have David, rich man, right? They with my sister, and yet you make him a kind different man in our house, in the lap up in our room. I understand the part.
Oh, me fi make your sister.
So you make David and take your money, you feed your daughter, so your daughter can take your mind different money. So I'm telling you, she coming like you.
Listen to me. Get your facts straight. You see what the straight? No, I'm just to show you something. Me not hurt you. I'm just showing you something. It's like how you see. It's like how you see the stick straight. Get your facts straight. That is new to me. Me make my daughter, which is your sister, I take David money, mine man. You see me make I take man money, mine man.
Listen, I go in a room a while ago, right? And meanwhile I was coming. They were doing their thing, right? Me going, when me go up on the veranda, me hear some look nice, right? So me catch me and see here what is going on. Me and then they are going it themselves. Me knock the door now. Me and like she say, hide. So me go in the room now. And the man me see in the corner, so. Like the man I say, I try hide like me can't see, man. Me literally can't see one time up and look for me. Then when me go closer now, them are going to look like say them a fix door. And then I fix no door. So me want to know how she have man locked up in a room with and David I spend pan her and I give her so much money. Me not understand how that work.
Listen to me. Not everything is as beautiful as it seems. Suppose David not make her happy. Sometime in a son, money cannot buy happiness. She have to know, and but first of all, me no give her no man. Me never know so she carry no money in my place. But why you never come call me?
But you know me I say.
You can come tell me your business.
Shh, me not telling nobody business, but it's not fair. Listen what me I say, right? Listen what me I say. Just listen what me I say. Me nah say, alright, the part where you say yes, what if he not cheat her, right? Me understand about the part, but don't take man money and mine a different man. You would want fee man take fee money and mine a different woman. You would want that?
Son, let me ask you this question. How you know that Brittany I take the man money and mine the next man? How you know that? How you know that?
Listen.
How you know that?
Listen. Alright, in a relationship, right? Somebody have to go be the one if he go out there, get the money, bring in it. Or someone have to go do the way to provide for the family. And I know so that the man there, he not work. Man look broke, he not working. So furthermore, Brittany I go take that the money there and I'm going to give that the man there. You know what?
Let me tell you this. Don't judge a book by the cover. It's the last time your father, me see him in a jacket and tie. Tell me say my lawyer, my attorney at law, that tell the man a big so-called criminal.
Yeah,
do not judge. You can't look for the man and say the man broke.
Listen. You fall for it because you are a certified yamhead. Your mother but me not afraid to tell her you are a certified yamhead. You hear me tell her? You are a sweet.
Me a sweet.
Sweet, right? Sweet mean. In fact that, alright. If the man not drive, you don't want him.
This need
if the man don't have money, you don't want him. You're a certified yamhead. And you are a certified gold digger.
Don't do it.
You are an old gold digger.
What's your Jesus?
You know, like a man for who he is, you like a man for money. Because that the man just up in a jacket and tie and tuxedo and all them something and say, why me a big bank this, me a big bank that, you want him. You know go for a man and say, we try work on little hard working money and don't want to work on the side. You have to do, hey, lady, me have to say, hey, don't make me have, hey, I will slap, hey.
You look a bit mixed up and
feisty
and bright.
I will slap, hey, I will
you look a bit too feisty. Go on there, some man.
Hey, I will slap the gravity out your mouth, hey. Me left you there. Me left you there.
But gold digger.
Slap, hey.
Hey. Look how much man, look how much broke pocket boy dig my goal and left me. Look how much broke pocket boy dig my goal and left me.
You love fling too much. Stop fling yourself. Hey, you see if you fling yourself.
Bro, listen.
Hey,
yo,
you're my son. Fling yourself from the place, you'd have a better life. But you, hey, God gonna fix your business. Hey, you always chat about blood of Jesus. You need some God in your soul.
You know me should not abort you.
Hey.
You know me should not abort you though.
You regret having you as a mother.
Hey.
You regret having you as a mother. You just own and shit.
Y'all come judge me.
Lady. You know what I'm left your place. Hey.
Y'all come judge me. Hey! No, me see what woman name belly. No, me see it. She.
What?
see I go on now. You know, see up on the road more and go, but like come see you now. There's something more to you for a long time.
Oh.
See my sister in there. I say me to try to. One day me come here. I'm here, so in my house. So I'm going, no man that me see him in there with man talk in that corner, so like say me not see him. Man, she had bring me in my house. So imagine now what she had do with your money when I take it here.
No man, me not hear what you say. Me not hear what you say. Hold on. Wait just say a while ago.
No, me say me catch my sister in your house with a man, and then the man come act like say a door my fix. He iron something on the door, he has and stuff. Go on like say it my fix. I mean no say I it my fix, me say a man in kind of place.
Young boy or old boy?
Boy look broke too. Look like a thief. But I'm a young human, in kind of short and fat. But long time I want to tell you no brother-in-law, but I show me not too there like that. You see me? Cause see my sister and mommy, not too, boy, they move like a hypocrite too. Why they have to raise up mommy she, cause boy she don't know herself. And sister the next one too. After me I talk to him about him, I want to fight me out. Boy, some people are left more little place right now.
So hold on there. So your mother know about this what go on?
Me tell her about it, but she tell me say she not aware of it. She never know say
so,
that is that.
So my money come down. Me take my money. Your sister pay the rent. Everything, food, everything. And then have man I come there. After me I pay the rent there. You not tell them who maybe. You not come up, they come check me with the friend now and see how we sit down and shop.
I tell them but they not take it then. Since they don't know who you be, show them who you be. Cause like say them like say nah connect up in yourself. But you can't be them set a family and you.
So if you're not there with fire, they can't remember say me the money when we are getting, you know, I have to keep a guy in the house, you know. If nobody are come there, you know. So it seems like you're not your job. Where you there? You're young, you know, for the idle. If you study, what you do?
Why? You know, say me mostly there me father side of people them because I can't do they don't like one time so me up there. I sometimes me there me spend a couple nights with my girlfriend because he live right beside my father live close by. So I'm not too there that one time.
Alright. I believe you. So yeah. What I didn't do, I'm going to get a thing for yourself. Thanks. I'm going to listen to your mother, right?
I'm going to go.
No, but that's good, man.
Alright.
That's good.
Who that? Who is that? Who?
David. Listen, Jim. Ramp here, ramp with me. Jim, I really ramp here, ramp with me. Eh? You tell me now. Tell me now. So me tell you already. Me tell you already, I'm sure you're pretty. So me can't deal with you too long. You're too old. And your daughter I'm interested in her. And yet, you give me a daughter and then stab me behind the back and take back your daughter and give it to a young boy. I mean, you take my money and mine. Young boy. Eh? Really, Jane? Talk to me, Jane. Talk to me.
You don't talk. Huh? Anything else? Your things say here say work a court? Them the same thing they no work again. Where's the evidence in me give my daughter to young boy? Suppose a young boy she want. So me can't do about that. Me don't know about that. That new to me, Sir David. Money David. No come mix me.
This is what I'm asking now. Jane, listen. You want to teach you something. You said, me can't get here, sir. So you want to tell me, brother, in one flesh and blood. I tell lie, you know when brother see me from road and tell me. That man respect me now. Your son respect me from the very ground. Because I take care of him too. I give him money out of my pocket. So anything he know, him come back and tell me. He not tell me lie. Why you don't want to tell me lie? Him boy say him come there. Go see, his sister there with boy, lock up. But him a fix lock. You don't know about that? You want to tell me you don't know about that?
As I said, this is new to me. And even if the same boy my son see him sister with man, that's not his business to find you, locate you and tell him sister business to you. Who is you? Is what? You want my son want you? Don't come here about my daughter this and daughter that. Me no know about it. And if me even know about it, me still don't know about it. From there.
Alright, I'm going to show you the final one in the jail because it's Santa Claus business I got done. You see anything named dear? I see your daughter with whosoever your son say, can describe you now. You have to go left here. Me I make sure me buy out this place so you have to pack and leave here. You can't even touch nothing in here. So try hope say no. Cause you think this, you remember tell you something. They say Santa Claus come once a year. But me there right through the year. As a good man, me there right through the year. And Santa Claus only come once a year. And me come like every day come buy food. Look how me make you look good. Look how you look young when you did old. Eh? Look how you look young.
We can't talk to him. Just have a seat. More and talk to you.
No, listen.
No, have a seat. Have a seat. Just have a seat. And more you looking at me and tell me the honest truth. You think me, Mary Jane, woman like me would so wicked to you? Eh? Me remember kindness, but I never give my daughter a young boy, and I never do it. So even if she have a young boy, me say me not know about it. Me I never betray you and stab you in your back. As you say, you make me look good and me appreciate you. Me appreciate you, David. I'm not why I use my problem, then my cousin tell me to, not because they help me. The man that want work outside and even know my business. You talk too loud.
Alright, you me as you know. Me just want to feel the one, you know. Me don't want to say you know or you don't know. And when you don't know, I'm see with me two naked guys there when God give me other two. You are go through the door and she fear school I got done. Cause since that he want to play with me I finance him, she and I make she go and hold like a virgin till she 20. And me here say, you know, I'm going to take a leave.
All I do is stop financing and start finance me more. That's what you need to do.
Jane, I tell you say you're too old. I'm 25, you're 58. If I was 32, going 33, you would have a chance. But no, you can't have a chance. You go, Jane, you know what?
Young girl I want, young girl I shall get. What good?
So you think you're ready to talk to me now?
You know, so I'm pregnant.
Yo? You're pregnant who?
Pregnant. I don't know how I'll tell David this.
So for baby?
No more years. Me and him not have sex since until me around 20, 23 that time there.
So how this go work out?
You
That
mean
me
how
wanna
this
know.
stuff? You have to find a way to work out. Because of your pitney.
You're sure me alone, Yagi, right?
I am the only person.
Think you get so aggressive for me?
Because of how you behave.
Alright then. You know me that trying youth. Yes, I mean, if you say I'm a youth, then I'm willing to take up a responsibility and do what I have to do. You see me? I stand out as a father, but I just want you to try your best to not make your brother, nor your mother, nor David to know say I'm me a pregnant for.
Alright. Alright, I'm here. I'm trying my best.
So like you're pregnant, well, you can have something for do. You know, some love to eat
Look how me
24/7.
But look how me not feel good.
Don't worry about that. It will make you feel happy. Anytime you're sad, I will cheer you up. So don't worry about that. If you look next up, you put a smile on your face. Although you're going to feel pain. I want to do something before your brother come and call me. I don't know what I'm doing.
Big man.
What's that?
Where did you, man?
Why?
Sleep, though, you're comfortable.
You cannot before you come in.
No full room, I feel room, now we can come in and ready, now I'm comfy on the bed.
Then go in your bed. We're interrupt with her.
Where man over here?
Are your business that? Me always a cuss over the same thing. Me can't bother with it. Me sick and freaking
Nah,
tired of
you
you.
can't get no man in here. Don't get no man in here.
You
don't
can't
want
tell
no
me
man in
that?
here.
Upon your bed in there or my bed?
Man, you. You want some figure, man?
Yo, happiness.
Come take him out now. So you with your man. Every day you come here with this freaking
Hey,
drug.
I'll slap you. Hey.
Try me, not try me. Try me. No, try me.
Fire.
Try me. You try me.
Hello, life.
If you learn from me.
Hello, life. No.
Love me like yes.
Yo, I'm telling you, it's all in a favor. Me put you out of this.
So when you
Yes, when you come in and ask me and your sister, you calm down yourself.
My man, that's.
So sit down this and calm yourself.
Right.
Alright. Yeah, general.
Stop touching me,
One
man.
man.
Yeah, general. Alright. Alright, Mr. Big Joe. Alright. Stay till me come back here. Don't move, fat boy. Don't move. Here, fat boy. Don't move. We soon come back. Don't move. Fat boy, don't move. Alright.
Lock the door.
I'm your brother.
I don't know where, man. Come back the line of the steel cars. You're not where. You full of motor. You're not enough.
See me?
Wait a minute. What man you say there?
We come in and come see man right there so.
Which man be there pregnant baby?
And she
I make me look up a bed for go sleep. Me tired.
Go on, I'm sure. Go on,
Stop now.
Go on,
Move up, let the man show when my show me.
Go on, lie.
Yeah, you deserve it.
Look, you see it now.
Where you go? Where you go? Move your nasty this man. Where you go?
Me want go on in here. Me must have been
Alright,
Baby,
look.
nothing is going
Look,
on
brother-in-law.
here.
Me see man said so. And she said so. See her here. And the man
Come off my bed now, sir.
Me.
Come off my bed now.
So,
and when me come in here, the man bad me up and jait me up.
That is
Like
a
you
lie.
and box me and
Look
throw
here,
me
nobody
away
not
so.
coming here. Just listen to me, baby. Don't worry yourself. I'm not cheap on you. I sleep in the
Cheat
stay
that,
sleep.
listen, my woman a virgin.
Virgin Mary.
Virgin.
Not
Yeah.
have no baby.
In marathon we tell him marathon in 20.
Mommy a liar.
Don't come
She
mad
and
no
her mother
liar.
liar. Mommy is liar.
I him a liar.
I'm mad about them a liar.
Look here, don't tell her like
She wanna live like mommy. She wanna fling herself like mommy.
Look here, I sleep just still go sleep. And the boy, marching can disturb me, please.
Yo,
Hey.
listen what me I say now. Listen, me understand now. Not because me I give you money if you watch your sister. How more money you want, me can tell her for your sister.
That.
Hello.
True.
So you give money for watch me, that means you simple don't trust me.
No, listen, baby.
You don't trust me. I'm gonna like
Me
this
don't
someday.
want me I spend the money and then news I carry go around same way.
Here.
Me want him to watch you.
No.
I truth.
I wrong somebody this year make you send for watch me. Don't come skin up my face off of me like a smell shit in this.
You know what I do? You see, next time
I got video.
A money you want, a money you could
Alright,
dirty football, you have a dirty girl and you care money go
video now and show you tell me say I lie me I tell you.
no, me don't want no video. Me want to see live directly. Cause video can cut and
Alright.
clip together. You
All you is a workless man.
Don't call me man no workless man, that's
You
stink
don't
on
know-
face.
you don't know
thing.
workless.
Come out here.
You don't know workless
I'm gonna
alive.
have a dirty foot.
You don't know workless
alive.
alive.
me ask you sister, me money what this?
You know what money.
Alright baby, go and what
Look
was
at
it?
you. I need to my bed too.
Listen,
Crosses man.
listen, don't tell no more lie for your sister.
I'm gonna tell lie upon him first.
Me,
If you stop that light palm, man, I don't like them style.
you need to sleep, not you baby.
Me did that
You
stick
know
on me
that.
ears and me heart go to put me for rise up. Because I say, what?
Man,
I
the man
must go.
over there so
Me
hug
say, I
up.
must go, man, I
A draw
brought
about
it.
me. The man over there so hug up. And the man
So how me not come back out to the man that's the thing?
the man good as you run out when you pull the girl coming in here.
Don't tell, don't lie, don't do it, don't tell no lie for me, no lie people tell. Me don't like people tell lie for me, don't do it.
I saw
Don't
today.
like it.
Gonna
I'm
fix
never
your business.
ball.
We talk to you if you watch your sister because you only have
Alright,
to
you go see one day. You go see somebody right. You know say me you so brother. You so that to me.
It's a more fun, I like people tell
You
lie
go catch you
for
someone yeah, but I go jump on. Alright.
Alright.
Yeah, man, you're wicked. Boy,
Alright, later.
boy, your mother is a cougar. Boy,
Yeah, but I'm not lucky door. Alright, later here. See you? You see you? I dead you
Wait,
one
man,
next
wait,
time.
man.
Don't worry
where you
yourself.
pocket
about
man?
that.
Where you have the way?
Don't worry
Because
yourself. Don't. Boy, I don't say nothing to
Make
me.
you want to go door.
Who you? Come on. What mean by Who you?
Calm down. Listen up, I'm
Who
on
you?
a robbery. Me and your daughter boyfriend.
My daughter boyfriend.
Yes, Brittany.
What? Brittany! Brittany!
Yes, mommy.
Out here now!
What do you want?
How about this? Come on, come here.
there any mosquito in here?
Talk.
He is my boyfriend.
You what?
My man.
Brittany,
What?
what you mean by your man? Not because me give you permission to talk to David. You think say you're a big woman, you're still underneath my roof.
Me alone can't spend so much money with David and give me some have to use it on him too.
What is not this?
But it's not this.
So you think you're big now?
So I'm not big and I say me, look, I say I'm big. Look at you. Don't do it. Me alone can't spend as much money, so I spend it for my man, my friend, different man. Look here, David alone can't please me.
You don't need to be talking to me like that. I understand I am not the best mom, but I'm trying.
You're not
You
trying.
don't need to be like me. You can be different.
No, I am my friend, so. How you come from?
You want to be a man. I'm not fixing the family issue.
Alright, later, come give me a hug.
Oh, boyfriend. He might have to take your money, man. I don't want to roll.
Don't worry yourself.
Stupid.
Don't worry yourself, brother. As long as I buy money, my use.
Take the money and save towards college, but you're mine, man.
Put her some more and go to college.
You're lucky.
Are you lucky?
You're lucky.
Look here, lady. Please, come out of my business.
It's okay, no, Brittany. It's okay. You see? All along your brother was right. Me see you did that somebody, but you're worse than him.
Who is you to call nobody? Look here.
Your mother. The one
worse than me.
listen, shut up.
Don't tell me now. I'm not busy for my mother to raise the voice up for me. Cockroach are gonna cock fair. Move from here, so. Bright.
According to the Bible, obey your parents so your days can be long. Obey me.
Look here, what the Bible say? If you listen to your pig, when a pig you're gonna bat it all, if you dive and eat with him too. So that's nice. Excuse you, bye. Right.
Where are they going to go?
Hello. I couldn't even tell mommy how to be a problem to you. Don't do it. Bright. Outside.
Miss sorry, the day I'm going to go pregnancy. Miss
No,
sorry.
Jesus. Yeah, what's here? You go keep on sorry. Cause I'm me a sorry. You are sorry.
Hey, what is? Go on yourself.
Don't touch me.
Go on yourself.
Same old.
You still love me?
Yeah, but it's not gonna be a problem, man.
No matter what, I love you. You're my only son. Okay?
Yeah.
I will always love you.
Yeah.
Mother. Good night. Good evening, Brittany. Some for confess. Look at your face when I say it. You hear me? Promise you not gonna judge me. And you know, you gonna judge me?
I don't know. Let's see.
Well, me nobody want to tell them. You have a promise you say you're not gonna judge me.
I promise that I'm gonna listen to what you have to say and see from there.
I'm pregnant.
Okay. Congrats.
So that officer? What kind of mother you be? You tell us we're pregnant. Okay. Congrats. What kind of mother you be?
Brittany,
What?
what do you expect? Anyways, I'm glad. Said David finally get pregnant. Fantastic news. Him could wait till I reach 20. Thank you, Jesus. What a dream come true. Money I go run now, girl. Money I go run.
Yeah, money I go run.
Stay happy.
Happy, yes. This was just a burden, you know? No. Yeah.
So, how far along are you in the pregnancy?
1 month. 1 month.
So you feel? You feel happy?
Let me say so.
You never ready?
No, I'm never ready.
You expect anybody?
No. Oh.
Good night.
Good night.
Night, mother. Good night, Mr. Informer.
Move man.
Hey, where you pick him from? Mommy talk to the boy and come over butter bruise him in here, you know.
I need peace.
Always.
Peace.
Mommy, see me this young for that little something. They don't respect you, bro.
They don't respect me. Their time will come.
What a big happy family reunion. Call out for your wife, yeah.
I'm going to tell you. Brittany, now my class are grown. You have a room inside there.
Mommy, mind the business, please. I want to do the son.
Yes, baby. Listen. Yeah, man, I can't forward over now. The right time to forward over. Alright, where man come?
No man not complain of no woman.
Wait, you're so sick. Nah, hold on. Mommy, me have a surprise for you. Yeah.
I would have.
Hear that? Life good.
No Muslim girl.
No Muslim girl.
No, I want to see the girl.
You want to see the girl now?
I'm gonna say no. Serena, eat the food and I give it
Eat. Oh, Luis. Oh, baby, baby, no.
Hi.
Sister.
Hi, David. Oh my God.
So,
It's really
why
nice to see you.
you call me a while ago for the phone. So,
Yes.
No.
Hey boy, you know what I want him for?
I am this. The boy.
Not right now.
The money. I am man.
Yes, that boy.
I'm mad, Lisa.
Yes,
No.
I don't want that.
No,
Me,
he's
I don't want
not
that.
my man.
Listen,
Stop now. Sit down now, man. I feel like five foolishness, brother.
My brother and I this I think you can.
Boy, after the man try top man food, eh?
Sit down now, man.
You can this my brother and I.
so what are you?
Brother and I bad man, I hear. Play my brother and I just see.
You don't know me, you know. But me, I go clarify myself to you. Ask somebody about me. I am a long lost cousin. So are you the I must love my woman?
Me and him don't have nothing. We are friends.
We are not.
Mom, you talk
We're
to him
together.
now. You man understand now, man.
I don't think
So, David, don't worry about this man. Welcome officially to this family. She's
Wait.
pregnant for you. Pregnant, finally. I want a grandson. Grandson in the place with the football in.
Jim, you realize me to me right now?
She pregnant.
Yo, so me know na hypocrite, you know.
For who?
Tell the man the truth, no.
What truth?
For
Tell the
who?
man, say, I know.
Jim, what you say she do?
You have impregnated my own daughter at age 17. Congrats.
Let me talk to you, okay?
No, Jim, me tell her, say, I want your daughter when your daughter at 20. Jim, I think your daughter is still a virgin. What do you mean by me impregnate your daughter? Me and your daughter never sleep. Jane, a Virgin Mary.
This is so wonderful.
No confess.
Hello? So I'm a David Peter Cherry. I'm marking him, sir.
I don't mark him.
Call him Big Joe, big fat boy. Call him so big baby boy.
I'm pregnant for.
Look over and tell him.
Just came out from the boy, yeah?
Listen,
No, come here.
listen. You don't like us.
Don't touch my son. Don't
You
eat.
can't.
Not the place, not the
Take a
time.
video after me. Take a video after me.
Relax, son, relax, relax.
Mommy,
Just
you
relax.
have to relax. You can't tell me you can't make your don't touch my man, right?
Listen,
I was pregnant, me beat you in this.
listen.
Yeah, the audacity to be standing beside this man about your man.
Get the things.
Leave me alone.
Get the things.
No, we need to start
One
out
more.
this
Get
first.
the things
We
there.
need to start out this first.
I'm the man that paid the bill here. So you know what? There's no thing to start out right here. You see, by a morning,
Yeah.
when you pack up the bag, I'm matter of fact, from tonight, when you go and take up the bag, don't take up nothing from out here.
What
No worries. You're going to get the front room. I'm buying this place.
Alright.
So you're going to have to leave here. You and your mother and your so-called baby father look like him that you have dollar in your pocket right now.
When the child born, the child can come stay with him nephew,
Get your things.
with him uncle, sorry.
Jane, you look like you're on crack. Jane, we feel like you're really on crack. Jane, you have to more coke.
So you mean say you keep me out?
Jane, I tell you, said if you didn't hide anything from me,
Two bird
you
and fat boy.
none.
Two bird and.
If your son never called me since night, me will see children. Trying to go out through the door and me pay this bill. You have my money and my man. You know, around me and my brother, I watch you.
Go.
You see?
Farmer.
Come out!
Leave me man alone.
Leave the man alone. Come out!
Leave me man alone.
Take out the door.
What? Shut him now.
I'm gonna take this people, you know me? Me fighting at this thing. Leave him alone. Leave him. Come here. You give me this. Let it go. You know me? Don't peel me here. Don't peel me. I'm not gonna say no man. I don't care. And you put me in a situation here.
Did I open your legs, Brittany?
Come on.
Eh? Did I open your legs? It's about choices.
I don't care.
Your days shall be bitter. Trust me.
Don't play with me.
Go on.
Happy to have the rich man things that we never want to know.
Man, where?
At least I got your chance.
Shut up.
They choose to my man.
Hate you.
I hate you more. Should have abandoned you. Disgusted.
Again.
Tell them about Pitney.
Take up your wig.
Let me come on too.
Take up your wig and your clothes and I'll go on.
Yeah.
The wig come like you have for all years and I wash it. Hurry up, go. Hurry up, go.
Hey.
Go on. Yeah. Put out your mother. Right.
I don't want to push on the dirty and frownsy.
Oi, my
I don't want it.
Give me. Tease. Tease like your mother. Where your mother? When they? Your mom did. Now put him on.
No, come on. Go on. Your man, go on. Hey, come here. Come here, James. Come here. This is part of the property.
One last spoon, please.
Take the last spoon. Come. One last spoon, Jane. One last spoon. You should have put her back the wig in your ball to water and soap.